Yo guys, welcome to the stream. Gonna do a quick test here if everything is working correctly right now. It seems to be working perfectly right now. So guys, we wanted to start a live stream here because everyone was highly anticipating one here in the Discord group. So that's why we started the live stream, because everyone is wondering right now, should I open a trade here on Ethereum? And we are going to discuss everything, what our opinion here is right now on this chart. So if you're interested, make sure to already share the stream here with all your friends if you are enjoying it. Sorry, yeah, I'm so early today because later today I have to go away, and I do want to do a quick live stream here. So I'm sorry that it is maybe a little bit early here today, but I will continue the stream for approximately 3 more hours here. And let's see, everything is working correctly right now, and the stream will be here for yeah, about 3 hours. So yeah, of course I'm a little bit earlier live right now because of. Because I had to have to head out there in a second. I mean, in 3 hours here. So that's why we are so early here. But the price action is way too interesting. Once again, here on the Bitcoin chart, showing real interesting things here, and especially on Ethereum, showing me this hammer candle here. And this candle is extremely bullish because we even closed it in the green here. This whole wick got back up, bought back up here, and someone's already. Asking in the Discord group, he was already asking in the Discord group, should I open a trade here? And to be honest, I should be really careful here, man, bro, to go in your question right away here, because it can get really scary. I'm going to miss a lot. Yeah, of course, the price action is going to be real interesting here at this point. And you can see that we already maybe are seeing a small momentum shift here. And you can see that we set a new all-time high of approximately 1700 USD. On the Ethereum price chart here. So that's really interesting that we set a new all-time high once again yesterday. And right now we are seeing some indecision here, because we saw this big wick here on this green candle got bought back up here, and it is in some confluence with Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, you see more red candles than green here, as you can see. It looks like that Ethereum is showing some more strength here. And if you look to the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, you can also see that we got this big dump and we got bought up really quickly once again. We got a nice bull trap like an hour ago, but we're still up. Yeah. That is it, man. Nice bull trap. So maybe they try to squeeze out the longs here. And also with Elon Musk, he's saying some interesting things about Doge right now. And Doge is right now once again pushing higher and higher. And this is right now midnight in the USA. And he is still pushing the price higher, and he is right now tweeting, well, it's midnight here at USA. So he is becoming a meme, destroying he's destroying all the shorts here. So that's really interesting here, because he doesn't really like the shorts, and that is why he is squeezing them out all. And also my position is doing really well here. We were 400% up, but of course I'm trying to catch it to the new all-time highs here, so I'm still not taking profit here, and I will add more to my position if we are going to go and go back to these levels around the 1500 USD. But of course, if you aren't yet in a trade right now, I should be really careful here, man. Should be really careful, because we can maybe see a reverse to either side here, to the upside or to the downside. And in hindsight, you always want to open a trade at these positions here, but of course you don't know when we are going to see these massive pumps, because we could have also went to the downside here, but it was more logic to go to the upside here. And let me have a quick look if we compare this price action to Bitcoin when it broke its all-time high. So this left one I will set to Ethereum. And this right one, I will quickly select Bitcoin here. And I will use the dry chart here, the clean chart. Let me remove this one here. So let's have a quick look. Bitcoin broke its all-time high over here. So you will set this horizontal line here. The previous all-time high was this. So we're right now looking at the 1 hourly candles at both sides. And here, Bitcoin broke its all-time high. So on the right side you can see Bitcoin, and on the left side you can see Ethereum. So Ethereum went consolidating below the all-time high, just like Bitcoin did. And you can see Bitcoin had some red candles, but it went up higher and higher. And this were the first few hours. But as you could see, we were seeing pumps and dumps, pumps and dumps. And right now, I do think we are in the same situation here with Ethereum. So, in my opinion, we can go much higher here with Ethereum. And look how overextended Bitcoin was for a long period of time here on the RSI. And you can see once we dip below the 70 level here in the RSI, we saw some downwards momentum once again. And right now we are also a little bit low here. But of course, that's not having a lot of confluence here. But in my opinion, we can go much higher here. Also, right now seeing a small pullback here. And this pullback is mainly because of Bitcoin freaking out here. Because right now what is happening with Bitcoin, and we'll put it back on one screen here so we can get a clear view here on the chart, what the chart is right now telling us. And as you can see, this candle to the downside got supported by our Fibonacci level here. That's also really significant because this can support us and help us to see some more momentum to the upside here. So let's see. Let's see how this stream will go here and if we are going to see some interesting things here. And we just started the stream out. So right now we got 26 viewers live in here. So make sure to smash up the likes here on the stream if you are enjoying it. And if you want to see some more price action here live on our channel, make sure to also subscribe to the channel. And someone is already saying, I think we might just move sideways today to eliminate the sideways momentum. My friend, what my thoughts today are when I look to the fundamentals of today. Because as you can maybe know, MicroStrategies is right now having this big meeting. MicroStrategies is having this big meeting about Bitcoin and the altcoins, and they posted this on Twitter, right? Let me have a quick look here. And yeah, 15 hours ago they started their meeting, and all these big billionaires came to this meeting here, and they were going to discuss the Bitcoin price and how to invest in Bitcoin. And the wealthiest and the most richest people are right now looking to buy Bitcoin. So I do think that we are going to see some amazing price action today, to be honest. And I think for Bitcoin, we can maybe even try and break the all-time high here. So yeah, it can go up really quickly, as you know, here with Bitcoin. And since the last few days here, since the 1st of February, we already went up approximately 20% here on the Bitcoin price chart. So that is also really interesting here. And I do think because of the MicroStrategies having right now this meeting, and they're informing all these rich people how to buy Bitcoin and how they can help them buy Bitcoin, I think it can move up really quickly here. And you see, we don't have a lot of sell orders because the volume is still pretty low here, and you see the price moving up here. So it's indicating that we don't have a lot of sell orders, but we do have a lot of buy orders. So that is also right now pushing the price higher and higher. So maybe this is just a retail pump still, but I do think that all these whales are trying to step in here and crush this market, because all these whales are willing to step into Bitcoin right now, and especially with the MicroStrategy meeting right now. And let's go into your questions here real quickly here. I think as long as BTC holds above the 20 moving average, we are golden. Yeah, I agree, man. Let me have a quick look at the 20 moving average here. And you're probably looking at the 4 hourly here, and maybe even on the daily. And we are seeing a golden cross on the 20 and 10 moving average. But let's have a quick look here on a clean chart here. And we're almost forming this golden cross once again on the 4 hourly. So you saw this death cross over here, and this was around the 27th of January. And right now we are forming this green candle to the upside here, and we're probably going to see a golden cross anytime soon here. And it can even be today, but to be honest, I do think it will be tomorrow, the 5th of February. We can easily see this golden cross happen once again here. So, was Elon Musk at the meeting? It could be so, man. Could easily be so. But I do think he was more busy with his SpaceX launch, what happened this week. But it dipped from 38k. Yeah. We saw this big wick here, but again, you see this indecision here. We went almost to 39k in here. We went 38.8, and we set a higher high than this wick here. So that is indicating that we still are setting. It is not really significant, but we are setting a higher high here. So this is showing that we have more buying strength here. When do we want to enter a BTC or Ethereum long? Of course, right now we are still overextended on the 4 hourly, so it is extremely risky to open a trade here. But if you want to look to the short term here, and if you really want to open a short term trade here, and if you really want to look to the to the smaller time frames here. I will have a look here to the 5 minute here and have a quick look here with the Fibonacci retracement to where we have a possibility to find some resistance here. And also, guys, if you haven't already liked the live stream here, make sure to do so. And right now we can maybe find some resistance at this 37.8k level in the macro trend. This is of course on the 5 minutes, so it's not really significant. It's not really significant. But of course, we can easily break through this resistance and go high here once again with the Bitcoin chart. But as you can see, this is, by the way, still the golden pocket entry here at this level. The 0.382 is the most significant Fibonacci level to enter a position here, to either direction. And I have to adjust it a little bit because I didn't draw it all too nice. Yeah, it is more like this. So maybe we are going to find some resistance at the 37.8k here on Bitcoin if we look to the 5 minute chart. Hello, mate. Welcome to the stream here. Hello. Oh, sorry. I haven't looked into your question yet. I'm sorry. Thank you for your time. Do you think it's a good time to long BTC now? Blessings. I should be. Maybe you could have opened the long here, but of course you couldn't really time this this bottom here. But if you look to the 1 hourly, you maybe could have seen some significance here. You could have seen that we're getting supported by the stop of this wick here. But of course, I wouldn't enter. I mean, I had anticipated that we were going to go a little bit lower here, but it is really risky to open a trade right now, man. It's really risky to open a trade here. To be honest, I find it really scary to open a trade right now here. But maybe if we find some more support on this this upward sloping support line here, that is right now creating, and we are looking that we are going parabolic here almost, and the Bitcoin price is going up really quickly here, really significant here, and we really want to close this 1 hourly candle above this previous high here. But it is really risky to open a trade right now, man, to be honest. And if you're already in a trade, you can maybe look for some positions to add more to your trade. But if you aren't already in a trade here, I should be really careful, man, because we can reverse easily from this position, to be honest. And right now we're trading against resistance again on my horizontal chart. So that's also really important to break here. Yeah, and AVE is also looking so bullish here. It broke its all-time high once again. So we are going to have a quick look here to AVE. USDT, man. Yeah, it's right now trying to break its all-time high once again. This coin is just going sky high here, breaking each and every all-time high. Do you think Ethereum will follow BTC? Yes, it will. Most likely it will. And only if BTC will cool off a little bit here, we can maybe see some more action for Ethereum. But of course, since Ethereum broke its all-time high, I think we can easily see some crazy price action here on the Ethereum chart. And right now, maybe on the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, we are seeing some upward sloping support here created. And if I look to my horizontal chart here, you are seeing that we have to take out this high here first if we really want to go higher compared to Bitcoin here with Ethereum. And we got supported by this previous significant resistance level. And what do you think about Link USD? I will have a look into Link in a second, my friend. And guys, if you haven't already shared my stream, make sure to share it to all your friends here, because we want to witness this price action together. And yeah, make sure to also hit the like here on the channel. It will be absolutely amazing. And also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel here, because we got 415 subscribers here. And let's see if we can get this to 450 maybe this stream. Would be absolutely amazing if we could do so. So let's have a look at Link here, because Link is also showing some real strength here. And myself, I'm right now in a Link trade. And there will be a good possibility to maybe open a Link trade live in the stream here. Because as you can see, this yellow line here acted as really significant support and resistance, as you can see here. Here we saw this small fake out on the top side, but here it acted as real significant resistance. And maybe we already touched it, but if we are going to go lower here and touch this yellow line once again, and that yellow line will be around this, let me see, this 23.7 USD level, there will be a good possibility to enter a trade. And my trade is also at this level here. So I opened my long trade on this yellow line here. So let's see how it will end, because if we are going to see another bounce from this level, maybe we are going to go higher from here on. So let's see if we can open a live trade for you guys in this live stream here, because it will give us some good opportunities if we are going to hit this yellow line here. And what is AVE doing right now? Yeah, it's absolutely skyrocketing right now, man. it's absolutely skyrocketing to the upside. Go hit the like button, support the channel. Yeah, it would be absolutely amazing if you guys can subscribe to the channel here and maybe also hit the like button here. Would be amazing if you can do so. So let's have a quick look here at my my strategy, how I should look to. Here, let's first look at this. Yeah, you can see already the significance of this Fibonacci extension too. You can see the 4.236 extension level already acted as resistance, and the 3.618 level also acted as resistance, and the 2.618 level acted as really significant support. So yeah, right now we really have to crush through this 4.236 level, and we right now haven't closed the 1 hourly candle above the 425 level. So if we could do so, it would be also really bullish for ETH. And right now trading at $440 is absolutely amazing. We went up so quickly for the last couple days here. Since the 2nd of February already went up 54% here. So amazing to see this coin going so high here. And I'm also a holder of this coin. Really good project, and I like DeFi, so really nice one, man. Why do you think BTC dumped so hard? Yeah, we're basically we were getting getting rid of these sell orders, and as you can see, it has significance with the previous high here of the Elon Musk pump. So maybe people were thinking about, okay, I'm taking profit here. So the volume wasn't that high, to be honest. Yeah, it was a little spike here in the volume, but there was not a lot of trading here, so not a lot of buyers or sellers. And if you really want to see a big dump or a big supportive bounce, you really want to see a candle in the volume like this here, and then you can see it's really significant. But at this point, when Elon Musk pumped the price here, he eliminated so much sell orders, what is really good for the price right now, because as you can see, the volume is still low here, and we went up higher and higher because there were basically almost no sell orders. So right now I think we can continue with the trend here, because we are setting, as you can see, this trend is looking so nice here. And I will take this clean chart here, because this trend is making me feel so bullish here, because we are setting higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. And you can even say this is a higher low. And we are also setting higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. So this trend is absolutely amazing what we are seeing right now in the Bitcoin chart. And yeah, I think we're not stopping anytime soon here, because we broke the downtrend from here. Because first we were in a downtrend setting lower highs each and every time. And right now we are just reversing the trend to the upside here. So I don't think it's going to end anytime soon here. And maybe we can even, of course, break the all-time high here. Any day right now. So if you haven't already, make sure to join the Discord group also, because we just started the Discord group to grow the channel here and help you guys out with some trading if we aren't live. What's the higher target of Link USD? Let me have a quick look what my target will be here, because we are trading in this ascending triangle here, and I'm looking to take profit at these levels of approximately 30 US dollars, man. So if we are going to see a clear bounce here, I will even add more to my position, because I already got an entry in over here at this point yesterday in the stream, and right now I'm still riding it. And I do think we can get a bounce and reverse to the upside once again, because Link is just undervalued compared to Ethereum right now, and I think it has huge potential to bounce even higher from here on, man. Will the US market opening affect the price of Bitcoin? Yes, it will, most likely will, man. And looking to the USD index, US dollar is going higher and higher, but I do think it is going to reverse anytime soon here, man. Almost hitting the most significant resistance, and we can even hit it today. And let's see if it can help the Bitcoin price here. Let's see if it can help the Bitcoin price. What leverage are you on Ethereum? Right now on 30x, man, but I started my trade off with a 15x, and in the end I made my position bigger, because I had an entry at 1200 USD, 1240. And if you guys have any questions for certain altcoins, make sure to ask them here. Someone's already asking, look at UMAP, please, and I will do so. And right now, looking at it, we already looked into it yesterday, and let's see at this chart if we can see some significance here, because you can see here we were using this Fibonacci retracement tool, and we're almost meeting our extension resistance level, and that resistance level is around the $43, man. So $5 away from the most significant resistance level. And if we are going to find a bounce here to the downside here at $29, it's a good position to maybe add some more to your bag. So this coin is looking pretty well here, to be honest. Finding support at very nice levels here and finding resistance at clear levels. So it was easy to trade it. Really, the structure looks nice here, and it's going basically parabolic here. But you have to know, once we go up so quickly here, I shouldn't buy at these levels, to be honest, man. Maybe if we are going to see a correction here. But of course, you also have to look to the fundamentals here. I don't really know what the fundamentals are right now. And it's really important that you have a look to the fundamentals, because otherwise we don't know. We can tell you what the chart is most likely going to do, but if the fundamentals aren't looking well here, you shouldn't buy into it. So always do your own research as well. Do you have a link for Discord? Yes, I have, and the link of the Discord server is right now pinned in the comments section, man. So if you want to join the Discord, make sure to watch the live chat here. It's pinned on the top here. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel, because we are growing like crazy here. 417 subscribers, absolutely amazing. And I also see that we have 51 viewers in, so can we maybe hit the like buttons? We all can hit the like button here, it would be absolutely amazing. Is Link still a good buy? In my opinion, if you want to buy for hold, it's a really good buy, man, especially right now. It's almost hitting the support target. And I think we can get a clear bounce here, because Link is right now in the values, man. And if you look to Link BTC, this is making me feel real bullish as well, because the Link against Bitcoin is right now also finding support here at this, this most important support level, where we got bounces off, a lot of times. So if you want to step into Link, I think it's a good position, man, and it's a good time to maybe buy in right now. Sorry, I don't see it. I will drop it once again in the comments here, man. I will drop it once again. I will have to copy the link here, and I think this will work for you, man. So make sure to check it. If you want to join the Discord server, you can join it right away here. So having a quick look here at the Ethereum chart, it's still going a little bit sideways here. And let's look at the 5 minute if we can see some indecision here, or if we can maybe spot a move here, or maybe a possibility for a pattern playing out here. But right now it is looking like that we are getting bought back up here. Still in the middle of the RSI, so we can go either direction here. And as you can see, always, if you look also for the 5 minutes for a good entry here, always when we are going so low in the RSI, it's a good position to open a short-term trade here. Short-term. I'm not talking for long-term. How is VeChain looking? I will look into it, my friend. I will look into it. And I will take a look at the 1 hour, at the 4 hourly, I mean. Spot, VeChain, you can see this a possibility for an head and shoulders maybe also unfolding here. And of course, I myself don't like trading head and shoulders, but the thing that I'm seeing right away here is this this left shoulder here, this head over here, and a possibility of a right shoulder right now existing, right now in creation. So of course you want to see how this play out, but this pattern is basically saying you that we are getting less buying pressure. But if this bounce here, maybe if we are going to set a higher low here, higher high, I mean, it can still indicate that this pattern is totally not valid. But if we are going to see some more momentum here down to this neckline here, and maybe retest the neckline, we probably will go lower here for VeChain. But right now I don't think it will be going lower here, because the Bitcoin price is also looking pretty bullish. And if you want to buy VeChain, it will be always a good opportunity to buy VeChain at this support line, man. A lot of demand at this line here, already existing since the 2nd of January, I mean. So yeah, if you want to buy into it, it's looking good here. But the hand and shoulders you have to keep in mind, man, if it's going to play out. Matic. Let's have a quick look here at Matic, of course. And guys, make sure if you have any questions here, make sure to ask them in the comment sections. And if you haven't subscribed and liked to the channel already, make sure to do so. Make sure to do so. Yeah, Matic is the structure is also looking good, just like Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. You are setting higher lows, and you're setting higher highs. So if you look at the structure of the market, it is looking good. And of course, you want to look for certain entries here, and immediately you can spot this maybe this parallel channel here unfolding here on the chart. This parallel channel here, if you draw it from this side. This side, you are seeing that we are in an upwards momentum phase here right now, and each and every time once you buy on this this demand line, you are seeing that it is a good buy here. And in my opinion, every time once we hit here the top side here, it is looking that we are getting a retracement, but it's a healthy thing because we are setting higher highs here. So the uptrend, it is basically an uptrend here, and if we are ever going to break this upward sloping resistance line, you can go sky high here with Matic. So it looks good, man. Good morning from London, mates. Good morning, man. Everyone is saying good morning. Good morning, Crypto Centauri. Welcome to the stream. I loved your stream of yesterday, so make sure also to check out Crypto Centauri. Absolutely legend. GRT still bullish here. Been pumping like crazy. What do you reckon on free? Okay, Reef. Okay, I will have a quick look into everything, man. I don't know what the fundamentals of Reef are, because I'm personally not a buyer of it, and the time frame is right now. Ooh. It is looking like that it is right now trading at support if you look to the 4 hourly here, and you saw this small fake out to the downside here, but we are right now above this the highest point of the trend here. So the previous highest 4 hourly candle, we are right now trading above it, so that's really significant. So if we are going to see this 4 hourly candle still close above this, and I do think there will be more momentum to the upside, but of course it also depends on Bitcoin here. If you look to these altcoins, man, it's really important. If you look to these coins, you also want to know what Bitcoin is doing, and Bitcoin is right now looking pretty bullish here, also with Ethereum. But of course, if we can still keep this green candle open here and close it above this highest line here of this the 1.0 Fibonacci extension, we can maybe even try and retest this 1.618 level here of the Fibonacci extension to here. So it's gonna be interesting what this coin will do here. It's gonna be interesting. And someone is also saying great content. Thank you for saying that, man. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel because we are growing like crazy here. Already having 419 subscribers on the channel. Absolutely amazing and legends that you guys are. Look at GRT, of course. I'm also a holder of GRT, and I like the project here. So the fundamentals are looking pretty well here. And also using the Fibonacci retracement tool here, you are seeing that we couldn't really break through here on the 4 hourly of this 1.0 level here. And right now, we had some 4 hourly candles close above it, and we saw some wicks to the downside, so we are still getting supported by this level because this was the previous high of GRT, and right now we are trading above it. So it is looking absolutely great here, and I think GRT also with the project looking so well here, and I do think that there are a lot of people are going to step into GRT, especially because it's also on Coinbase, etc. And all these new people here in the crypto space are seeing this project and are most likely going to buy into it, man. So in my opinion, GRT is set to easily go to this 1.16 cents here. And it's just looking, the fundamentals are looking so well here of GRT. And I'm a big holder of it. I'm a big fan of it. So absolutely looking great here for the long term. And in the short term, we maybe are going to see some kind of a reversal here. Of course, if Bitcoin also reverses here. But sometimes you see GRT pump and Bitcoin dump. So, of course, we can still go to the upside here. But, of course, we have to see how it will end. Can we hold this level? Then we can go higher. But if we will close the 4 hourly below this, I do think we can easily go back to these levels of 65 cents, man. Look at Uniswap. Of course, I will. Because Uniswap, I'm also a holder of it, man. Liking the project. This is not Uniswap. I want to compare it to dollar. Oh wait, I will take it from off my list because that's my own chart. Yeah, this one. Yeah, Uniswap is also basically going parabolic here. You see that Uniswap is getting supported by this demand line here to the upside, getting multiple touches, and each and every time one should touch this line here. And right now on the 4 hourly, you could see that we are getting another touch here. It's always a good buy here. And this was around the 19.5 USD, man, then you were already 80 cents in profit on each and every Uniswap you own. So always a good buy on this demand line for now. And of course, if we are going to break this demand line, we are going to go lower. But right now, the structure is still looking good here, setting higher lows, higher highs. So still bullish on Uniswap, man. And I don't know where it's going to stop here. And having a quick look to Bitcoin here. Still going a little bit sideways here. And of course, as you can see, maybe if we are going to retest this line here, this supportive line, and maybe we can even extend this line over here to find some possibilities for support in the future here. Because if you draw this line differently, you can see that we are getting supported maybe from this line, and here we got rejected, and here we got supported as well. So this line is also, you can draw this, of course, your own way here, but you can see it's a really significant level of Bitcoin. You see this multiple confluence points here. Once we went below it, we immediately went lower, and we got rejected from the downside here. And firstly, we got supported from the upside. So let's see if this line can act as significant support in the future. Let's see. And someone is saying, what is the graph doing? The graph is basically a protocol on Ethereum, if I say it correctly, and it is an API. So anyone can basically build their own API on the graph their network, and they are calling it subgraphs. So it is basically making the data of the blockchain public for everyone and easy to to get their hands on. So it is basically the Google of the blockchain. They are saying that they are the Google of the blockchain. So, and let's see how it will end here. And it is looking pretty well here. And also let's have a quick look into Cardano, because someone is asking your thoughts about Cardano. And right now I'm also a big holder of Cardano. And Cardano, if we look to the smaller time frame, we saw this small breakout here, and we didn't clearly meet our price target here, because we were forming this descending triangle, and we broke to the upside, but we didn't clearly meet our price target. But right now, if you continue this, if you stretch this horizontal support line, you're seeing that we are getting supported once again here. And we did close a higher 1 hourly candle here, but still feeling pretty bullish here, because if you look to the structure over here, ascending triangle, and we already met our target on the top side here, but I don't think it is ending anytime soon here for Cardano. Still feeling pretty well here. So yeah, we are getting supported. So each and every time once we are going to hit the support level, I do think it's a good buy here. And right now, of course, we broke out of this big ascending triangle, and right now we are forming a new pattern, and it will show us some more information anytime soon, in my opinion. And a lot of questions here, guys, in the chat here. So I will try and answer all your questions here. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because we are growing like crazy here, and we want to help you guys. And we already hit the 420 subscribers, 420. So that's an amazing goal, to be honest. Amazing goal. And we also got 55 viewers in right now. So make sure to hit up the like buttons. Would be absolutely amazing. And someone says thoughts on Link. We already discussed Link a couple minutes ago, but we will get back into it in a second. But first, we're going to discuss GLD. Not a holder of it. And yeah, immediately you can see it once again. You're setting higher lows, higher highs. So basically structure is looking good here. Structure is looking really, really good here. And yeah, you see this demand line getting created here since already the 24th of January. It is basically looking good here. If you look to the chart, what the chart is telling you, it's in an uptrend here. Doesn't look that it's going to stop anytime soon here. Right now trading at support. So let's see if we are getting a new high here for EGL anytime soon here. Would be amazing if we set a new high here, new local high. Let's see if we then can maybe come down to this support line once again and set a new all-time high. So it is looking good here in the short term. This coin. And maybe you can even say someone is saying it's going to break out from a triangle here. And I think you're watching this this symmetrical triangle here unfolding. That you were saying you had multiple touch points here, but I don't know if it's really significant, but you could say so. Because if you draw it like this, I don't think it's really a valid pattern. But you can maybe say that we are right now breaking out of it and having some minor consolidation here, and maybe we are going to see a leg to the upside here. But what I'm watching right now, if I look to this chart, I'm seeing. Let me pull up the Fibonacci extension tool here. So I will look at some points of support and resistance here, and you are seeing that we are getting supported by this 0.618 level. And let's see if we can break through this 0.786 level. And that will be absolutely amazing if we could do so. Please check Ethereum. It dropped. Okay, I will look into it, man. Ethereum. Everyone's asking about Ethereum. Bro, I saw Elon tweets exploding the price. Absolutely, yeah. Elon is right now pumping the price so high here. And yeah, Ethereum is not really dumping here, to be honest. Just having some minor downwards momentum. Let me see. Yeah, market cipher is giving us a sell signal here, but of course it's on the 15-minute. Let me have a quick look. Is Elon saying something? Elon saying something here right now. Yeah, he said I'm becoming the destroyer of the shorts, and I'm quite curious what America will do when it will wake up here. Yeah, and maybe we are going to see some more downwards momentum here. But of course, you have to look at Bitcoin first if you are looking at Ethereum. And Bitcoin is looking like that it's getting supported off this line. And let's see if we are going to get another test here. And it will give us an opportunity to maybe open a long here, if you are going to get another touch here. And hi, Rover. Hi. Welcome to the stream. Make sure to smash up the likes here. Make sure to do so. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's dropped. What are your top 3 altcoins for this alt season? I do think the Graph will do really good here. Polka Starter, also a really great project here. And if I take a safe bet, I should say Cardano. But if I take a more riskier approach here, I am saying maybe Aveman. I do think that it has huge potential also with Grayscale coming in here and also trying to buy up more AVE because it's a DeFi project, and I'm especially really bullish on all these DeFi tokens, and I'm a holder of DeFi, of course. Absolutely a fan of it. Let's look at Ethereum, man. What it can maybe do here in the coming hours, because you can see we got rejected by this 0.618 level here. If we look to the 15-minute charts, and maybe we are getting supported by this golden pocket entry. So this can maybe be an insane entry if I look at this chart like this, because the 0.382 is the golden pocket entry for Ethereum, and in the short term it will most likely act as a significant support, man. I have to go to school, but thank you, no problem. See you in the next one. Can you say what you think about Ethereum 2.0? Yeah, of course, the starting version of Ethereum 2.0 already launched here, but I don't see all too much of improvement yet because the gas fees are still too high. But I know that Ethereum, let me have a quick look here on the internet. And Ethereum 2.0, they are trying to launch the beacon chain anytime soon here. I mean the shards of the beacon chain. And if they are going to launch the shards of the beacon chain, maybe it can improve the transaction fees here on Ethereum, because they're right now just way too high, man. But the thing is that is making me real bullish here on Ethereum, that every altcoin is made on Ethereum, and that's the only thing that is making me feel so bullish here. And also, guys, if you haven't already joined our Discord server, make sure to do so. It's pinned in the comments, and I also will send it another time here in the comments. If you haven't already checked it, make sure to join our Discord group here. Absolutely amazing group if you want to join. What do you say? Yeah. Do you think it's a good time to buy Cardano for 1 year? Where do you see this comparison with Ethereum? I'm sorry, my throat is getting real thirsty here once again. And right now, looking at the Ethereum chart, maybe we are getting supported by this this level here, $1,623 US. So let's see if we are going to see a supportive bounce. But Do I think if Cardano is a good buy here, if you're looking for the long term, if you're looking for a 1 year buy? Yes, I do think so, man. It will be a really amazing buy if you are buying Cardano right now, and if you do want to hold it for, let's say, 8 to 12 months, it is the best investment you can do, man. I do think there are better projects. I mean, there will be better altcoins with more potential, but if you want to look at your risk management, I do think that Cardano will be a good position and a good buy here, man. Especially, I easily think that it can reach $1.50 in, yeah, maybe 6 months here. So it is a good buy for the long term. And right now we are seeing a supportive bounce here from this golden pocket entry. So that's amazing to see, guys. So let's see if we can even close this 15-minute candle above this 0.5 level. So we can maybe retest this higher support levels, higher resistance levels, I mean. But this golden pocket entry is getting respected right now. So let's see if we can still hold this, because this is usually the most significant level in the Fibonacci retracement tool, man. Golden pocket. And if you, right now we're looking, of course, at the 15-minute, but if you want to open a long-term trade, you always look at the bigger time frames, and then you look for the golden pocket entry. And then you usually see some good moments to maybe enter a trade here. And as you can see here, here we went below the golden pocket entry, and this is right now in the 1 hourly. And of course I have to draw it perfectly, because right now I'm not the best drawer. If I look to this chart, and you can see immediately some more significance here. And you see we got rejected by this 0.5 level, but if you bought here at the golden pocket entry, it still was a really good buy. Still was a really good one. And yeah, you can see you easily could have ride it here to a new all-time highs, and you see that we got supported by this 0.786 level. So I really like to use the Fibonacci extension tool, man. And the retracement tool. Really nice tool to use. And I see we have 62 viewers in right now, so make sure to yeah, hit the like button here on the stream. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because we have 421 subscribers here. And let's see if we can maybe hit the 450 subscribers live in this live stream. It would be absolutely amazing if we could do so. And how's Ave looking? Yeah, we already are looking into Ave a lot of times here, but we are going to have another look here, because Ave is just looking amazing here. And yeah, like you can see right now, we are getting supported by this 3.618. And I'm right now looking at the 15 minutes, so of course it's a pretty low time frame here. And you can see also rejection from this wick here, the 4.236 level. Sorry for all those questions, no problem. You can ask anything you want here in the chat. You can ask anything you want there. And Ave is, yeah, just looking bullish, man, to be honest, if I want to tell you. Because also the fundamentals, because I'm also a holder here of Ave, and the fundamentals are looking pretty well here. So sorry for all those questions. For 10k investment between Cardano and Ethereum, in your opinion, where should you invest? Of course, you have to divide your risk. So it's always good to divide your portfolio if you want to invest 10k, or even if it's 1k, or if it's 20k. So always divide your risk. So maybe you can even try and let's say you buy BTC, Ethereum, Link, and Cardano. And you do in every asset you do 25%, and I do think that is the best decision that you can do, man. And I do think Link and Cardano and Ethereum and Bitcoin will do the best here. If you want to talk about safe options here in the Bitcoin, I mean in the cryptocurrency space, if you want to have some safe options, I should just buy into a Chainlink, Cardano, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, man. Yo, man, just hopped into the Discord. Nice, man. Vamos. Thank you for joining the Discord. Make sure to do so. Discord is also growing like crazy here. Already 51 members in. We just started yesterday, and we're going to share our tradings here, and yeah, just look into to the charts together here, so we can discuss something when we are not live here. Yuma is up 160%. Yeah, it's absolutely going through the roof here, man. Absolutely going through the roof. Yeah, it's going right now. Just at this moment, we are pumping once again. Yeah, and let's see if we are going to find some resistance at this 43.8 USD, man. Probably we will. Probably we will. And look at the longs. There are a lot of longs active right now on the Bitcoin network. A lot of longs active. And the shorts, yeah, we are seeing some minor short squeezes here. Here you saw a big short squeeze. But let's see if we can maybe have another short squeeze just like here. Because always when we see these shorts dump so hard, it is usually indicating that we are seeing a short squeeze, and that can really push the price of Bitcoin higher. So actually you do want to see a lot of shorts getting opened, and then you have a lot of possibilities to go higher with the Bitcoin price. BTC pumping in lower time frame. Yeah, right now trading against resistance once again. Let's see if we can break it. And I do think if I look to this chart here, that we will go higher here because we found support once again. And here you can see when we found support over here, we went easily to the upside here. And right now we are setting a higher low here. Of course, it has a big wick, so it's also indicating that we have a lot of buying pressure and not a lot of selling pressure. So I do think we can go higher from here, man. Small dump and reset the price, go higher. And Ethereum is right now pumping once again here also. So yeah, I do think Bitcoin is set to go higher here, man, to be honest. Looking pretty well here. Yeah, and this 1 hourly candle also flipped green once again on Ethereum. And let's see if we can break this 0.618 level once again. What's going on with Stellar Lumens, mate? Could you check it, please, please? Of course, I will. Stellar. Oh, it's getting a rejection from this Fibonacci level, it looks like. And let's flip it to the 4 hourly. Yeah, right now you are seeing this rejection here. And this was a pretty significant level of the trend. And I do think, yeah, you shouldn't panic, man. You shouldn't panic. We're just seeing a small rejection. And we can even get some more fuel in if we are just retesting this 30 cents level. And wouldn't freak out here in Stellar Lumens. Right now the indicators were first really overbought here, and right now we are resetting them to yeah, even go higher once again with Stellar. If someone wants to trade Ethereum right now, would be a good opportunity. I should be careful, to be honest, man. I should be really careful here. I'm gonna remove this one real quickly, but I should be really careful here, man, because you can get wrecked really quickly here. Because right now, if you look at the bigger time frames, we are really overbought here. If you look to the 4 hourly, we are still overbought. Look to the daily, we aren't overbought here, but if you look to the weekly, we are extremely overbought on Ethereum. And of course, on the 1 hourly, we went a little bit lower here once again. But if you want to do a short-term trade, yeah, like I just told you guys, because I told you guys at the golden pocket can be a good opportunity to maybe open a trade here. And we got a good bounce here, but I should be careful, man, if you want to open a trade right now, because we just saw this small dump and we saw that we got back bought back up here real quickly here. So I should be careful, man, of course, with trading right now, because we can reverse either direction really quickly here. Check compounds. Let me see. Guys, I want to check everything, of course, what you guys are asking. And compound, I don't know, do you have a tag for me? So say check SNX. Oh, this looks pretty well here. This is SNX then. And we already are looking into these coins multiple days here. And you can see every time once we hit this Fibonacci support level, you see some insane price action to the upside here. And if you look to the smaller time frame, you could saw a good opportunity to buy in here, man. You saw we hit the Fibonacci support level here. Immediately went higher once again. We got bought back up really quickly here. So basically, if we are going to see a really good supportive bounce here, the next target will be around the 22 USD, man. In my opinion, if I am looking at this chart right now, because if you look to the bigger time frame here, the structure is looking good here, like all the other coins here. Setting higher lows, setting higher highs. Yeah, just a basic a structure of a market that is going in an uptrend. Is it a safe buy to buy some Bitcoin right now? I mean, if you are here for the long term, if you are here for the coming six months, like let's say if you are here for the coming 6 months, it's a good buy, man. But of course, we can have a small correction here, and you always have to be risky and do your own research. But I'm not giving you financial advice here. But if you aren't exposed yet to Bitcoin, I should buy in, man. I'm planning to dump some Doge tomorrow. I maybe think you should dump already, man, to be honest. In my opinion, at least. Because Doge is just getting pumped and dumped, man. And right now, Elon Musk just pumped it once again. And like I told you guys, this coin, yeah, I should be careful with this, man. Because you don't know when it's going to end here. And I do think it's just a big meme, man. And yeah, of course, you know it's a big meme. And I don't think it can easily reverse very quickly to the downside once again. Because everyone is buying into it of Elon Musk. And yeah, you should be careful with this coin, to be honest. I wouldn't recommend buying into it at all. But if you're holding, yeah, not my favorite one. Can you check Elrond? Of course, I will. And guys, make sure to also subscribe to the channel here, if you haven't already. Elrond, this one. And of course, I don't know these projects, their fundamentals here, because I haven't really did my research here. And yeah, I only do the technical analysis here, but if you want to buy into these coins here, you really want to do your own research, of course. Yeah, but as you can see, first we're trading in this parallel channel here, broke to the upside. And right now we are forming some kind of a new pattern here. Almost got supported by this upward sloping resistance line. And that's always a good position to buy in. So if we're ever going to see a retest of that line, will be good. And right now still, if you look at the 4 hourly, we are looking pretty good on the RSI. You can go much higher here. Can go much higher. And yeah, the structure of the market is looking good as also. Setting higher lows, higher highs. So basically each and every altcoin is looking pretty bullish here. But of course, you want to look for a big breakout here. And then you want to look to the comparison to Bitcoin. And let me have a quick look on this coin to the comparison of Bitcoin. Because right now it is forming some kind of pattern here. If you look at the smaller time frame. And it's looking like a descending triangle here. And I will connect the wicks, not the wicks, but full bodies here. And it's looking like some kind of, maybe you can even say it is right now forming some kind of a symmetrical triangle here. And that we are right now in indecision here because we're trading on this line here. But you can also say that we are here trading in a descending triangle here. And that we have seen some minor fake outs here. But of course, it's really risky to trade these coins because they can do anything here. And they're not showing some real interesting data because I don't know what the market cap of this coin is. But yeah, it can break either direction here. Yeah, this pattern is of course a bearish bias pattern. Tends to break to the downside, but it can easily break to the upside here in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. But yeah, it's basically, yeah, looking good, man. Also in the uptrend here, if you look at the Bitcoin comparison. Looking good here. So maybe we're going to find support also. And we got 77 watchers in right now. So make sure to all subscribe to the channel. Leave a like here. And I will get some water in. So I will be right back in 1 minute, guys. So give me a second. So I'm back once again. So my throat is getting real thirsty here. So let's have a quick look here at the channel. Because we are right now having 424 subscribers. Can we maybe try and push this right now to the 430 subscribers? I see that we have 75 watchers right now watching. And I do think we can easily reach the 430 subscribers right now. If you guys can help me out here. It would be absolutely amazing if we could do so. So if you all would stop selling Ethereum right now, we can maybe go higher here. So yeah, guys, if you all stop selling, you know what to do. Don't sell your Ethereum. Don't sell your Ethereum. We need a pump back again. Yeah, let's see what we can do here. It would be absolutely amazing if we can see a pump here. It would be amazing. How is Bitcoin, sir? Of course, we will have a look into Bitcoin here. And you are seeing, if you look to the bigger time frame here, we are getting a supportive bounce here, like we did here. And I do think if I look to this scenario here, we are seeing a bounce to the upside here, and we can easily reverse to the upside once again. And if I look to my horizontal chart, I see that we are trading against resistance. So maybe we are seeing a minor pullback here. Can also be a possibility. And I see when I refresh it, we almost hit the 430 subscribers. So amazing job, guys, that you are all subscribing here to the channel. So let's see if we can even hit the 430 subscribers. It will be absolutely amazing, guys. So right now we are trading against resistance here. And yeah, we got supported by this Fibonacci level if I look to this scenario. And the possibility for the next possibility for resistance will be around the 39k, man. Will be around the 39k. So let's see if we can reach that live in the stream. Just joined the Discord as well. Nice, man. Morning, Master of None. How about Ethereum? Let's have a quick look, man. Once again, yeah. If you look to the smaller time frame, if you look to the 5-minute chart here, of course I don't trade this one, but it's always good to look for an entry if you want to open a trade first. And right now it is looking like we are getting supported by this 0.5 level of the Fibonacci. So if we can still hold this one and maybe get a supportive bounce to the upside, would be amazing. And we can maybe retest this level, and we can be at 1654 in a second once again. And yeah, of course, if you look to the bigger time frame here, you are seeing that we yesterday formed this some kind of this symmetrical triangle. We broke to the upside live in the stream yesterday, and we also closed the 4-hourly candle. But was really important above this upward sloping resistance line here. So we broke the upward sloping resistance line now. So if we are going to retest that line, also it's going to give us more view. And of course it depends how you draw this line, but if you draw this more to the upside here, you can see that we already got supported by this line, and that can maybe also give us some more view here. But I do think that we have to draw it a little bit low here to connect this wick also, and that you can see that we didn't clearly made it yet. So if we are going to see another retracement here and maybe test this line once again, will be amazing. If we can do so, it will give us some more opportunities to maybe open a position here also. But yeah, looking to Ethereum, is looking strong, man. And these yellow lines are the 4-hourly closes, and they act as pretty significant support. So if we are going to hit that, it will also give us a possibility to maybe open a trade here. And I can see once I refresh this page, we have hit the 433 subscribers live in this stream. So absolutely amazing, guys. Also 68 people right now watching this live stream, so make sure to hit the likes up, because right now we have 55 likes here, and I do think we can easily get to 70 likes in the stream. We can easily get so. Will dot go up once again? Let's have a quick look here at the dot chart, because this, guys, yesterday in the stream we also discussed this scenario here, and this looks so good here for dot. We saw this breakout of this parallel channel here, and you saw this breakout to the upside, and we told you guys at this channel, we told you guys live in the stream yesterday, are we going to see a retracement of this yellow line here? It will give us a really good possibility to open a new position here. Unfortunately, I wasn't looking at, because I don't really I do like to trade these altcoins, but I was really busy with some other things here, and I couldn't open a trade here. But I did let you know that we had a possibility to open a trade if we are going to hit this line. So if you open a position here, you already went up 7% here, and it had huge potential. Sorry, I can't even talk because I'm so excited right now. Trying to get some more viewers. You are amazing. Thank you, JJ. Thank you. Amazing. You are also amazing. So it was a good possibility to open a trade here. And right now you can see you already went up 7% here. So I do think right now DOT is looking extremely bullish here, especially on the 1-hourly. We just cooled off a little bit on the RSI, and we right now have some more momentum to the upside here. We can easily go much higher, in my opinion. So yeah, absolutely feeling amazing bullishly. I'm feeling so bullish here on the DOT chart. And I don't know where it's going to stop here, because if you look to the possibility of the price target, it can easily be around $22, 22.80 cents here. But I do think we can go easily much higher here, because DOT is a little bit slowing down here compared to Ethereum, and I think it will pick up his pace once again anytime soon here. So yeah, feeling amazingly bullish here on DOT, man. Feeling so bullish on it. Yeah, let's have a quick look to the 15 minutes once again, because it looks like that we got supported here. If you look to the smaller time frame here on Ethereum, went up higher once again. Nothing but panic selling. Yes, yes. What the hell was the dump? Are you talking about Ethereum? Yeah. It's just a minor dump, man. Just cooling off a little bit. Bro, look at Ethereum. Sorry, bro, look at Bitcoin for momentum. And tell us where we are going back to 38.8k. Let's have a quick look. Right now trading above this horizontal line. So if we can maybe close the 30 minutes above this, can show us some more momentum to the upside here. And we got rid of all these sell orders. And of course, we really want to see creating a new high here. And we are getting this this buy signal on the 15 minute. If you look to the market cipher here, and if you look to the Bitcoin chart on the 15 minute, you are getting this buy signal. And yeah, of course, you see the significance from the bounce here. So actually, I do think we can easily read this target once again of 38.8k. And of course, we don't want to see something like this here and create a lower high. And then we can even say that we are forming this this head and shoulders, man. So of course, no, the neckline is not really significant. But of course, we don't want to see a lower high here, because that can maybe reverse the trend here in the lower time frames. Doge is following TA pretty well. Don't think so, man. It's just a big meme here because Elon Musk is the destroyer of the shorts here. Should be careful with Doge, man, to be honest. Should be careful with that one. Doge. Everyone is asking about Doge here. And I'm not... wait. Yeah, it's this chart, I think. Yeah, Doge. The thing is, you never know when Doge will pump and dump here, because it's just driven by these celebrities only. And Elon Musk is also a big troll about it, because he already told in his stream that he feels like he's becoming a meme because he's pushing Doge so high and he's the eliminator of all the shorts. Yeah, and I should stay away from Doge if you're not already in the project, man. You can get wrecked really easily here. We can easily reverse back to these levels, and you can easily lose yeah, half of your money or even more. Just subscribe. Great analysis, price predictions for Ethereum at the end of February. End of February, I do think we can easily sit around the 2500 USD, man. And to be honest, I do think we will be around this range here, and I will draw it real quickly for you guys, so we can also look in some in the coming streams here for February. And then I will open a monthly candle here, and right now we are looking at February, and we will open this box here. If I right now go to the lower time frames here, oh, you can see it here. Let me see it till the 28th. So I do think it will be trading around these levels. The end of February, to be honest, my target. It will be around 2k, and between the 2k and 2.5k, man. I think that's a realistic target for Ethereum by the end of February. So we still have, let me see how much days we have left. How much hours. We still have almost 600 hours left, man. Can easily make it. I think this box will be a realistic target, man. I will let this box stand here, because I can show you guys when we are going towards the end of the month here. So Doge is basically gambling. Yeah, man. Doge is gambling. And someone is saying I just posted a TA on Doge in the Discord server. Oh, that's interesting, man. That's interesting. You are doing TA on Doge. I'm scared to do a TA on Doge, man. And everyone I see is in pretty good profits here. So if you haven't already joined our Discord server, make sure to do so. It's pinned in the comment section, and I will drop it once again here in the comments, because it's really nice if we can maybe share our trades there and yeah, have some conversations there. So if you haven't already joined our Discord server, make sure to do so. And someone's also saying I just bought Doge at 3 cents, 4 cents, I mean. So should I sell right now? I mean, it's your own decision, bro, but I'm staying away from Doge, man. I'm too scared. We are seeing some major. So I can't even talk. I'm sorry. We are seeing a minor correction here on the Ethereum chart. Can you check XTZ? Yes, we will. We will have a look into that, man. My throat is getting so thirsty, so I will take a drink for a second. So let's look to the bigger time frame here. Yeah, again, like all these altcoins right now are doing. This coin is looking like forming this parallel channel right now, and right now we are at the bottom of this channel. So you will have some good possibilities to enter right now. To be honest, if I look to this chart, you can see each and every time once we hit this bottom of this parallel channel, it's a good position to buy here. Maybe we are going to get another retest to the upside here. So yeah, looking pretty well here. Again, an uptrend here on this chart. So not a bad buy in my opinion if you want to buy right now, if you look to the short term. And I see we already got some new members joined here. Amazing to see, man, that you guys are all joining the server here. And if you are joining the server, you have to press the Bitcoin icon at Verify Me, so you can get access to all the details here in the server. Thoughts on Cardano, man? Yeah, feeling really good here on Cardano. The long term, especially, already talked about it. If you're looking to the long term prediction here for Cardano, I think it can easily be around the $1 mark in also the end of February. You can, I think 80 cents will be a legit target for the end of February. And I do think February will be the month of all these altcoins, man. It will be the month of the altcoins. It will be the insanely month here. And right now we are just, we just broke out of this ascending triangle. And right now we are just in a little bit indecision here. Consolidating at these new levels because we hadn't, been here for a while. And right now we are just consolidating, making ourselves ready for another leg to each direction. Are we still positive about Link? Yes, we are. On this channel we are, because I'm also in a trade here. Right now trading at support. Like I told you guys, if we are going to meet this yellow line once again, it will give us an insanely good position to maybe enter a long position once again. Right now also in a long position from off this level. So let's see if we are going to get this possibility to enter this position. So let's see. And someone is saying Ethereum is dropping. Yes, it is. It's mainly because of Bitcoin right now. And still it is... we broke below this 0.5 level of the Fibonacci, and we got rejected on the top side also. So let's see if we are going to get another possibility to maybe hit this golden pocket entry. And from off this entry, it's always a good position to maybe enter a trade if you want to. Of course, it's really risky right now because we are in indecision. And we are going to test it another time. So the more frequently you are testing a support level, the more likely it is that you are going to break it, man. And on the Bitcoin chart, it is looking pretty well here still. Setting higher lows here on the macro trend. If this is the 5 minute, of course, it's not so significant, but you are in the 5 minutes right now in the uptrend here. So... And I'm feeling pretty bullish here on Ethereum. And I do think, because of this this hammer candle that you are seeing here on the 1 hourly, this 1 hourly hammer candle, because someone is saying, do you really mean this insanely bullish chart on Ethereum? Yes, I do mean this, because this candle here is showing me that we have a lot of buying pressure here. This candle here. This candle is making me feel so bullish here. And of course, we are right now seeing some more downwards momentum, but it can easily shift to the upside here. And in my opinion, this is looking pretty well here for Ethereum, because this candle is just showing that we are having more buyers than sellers right now. And this candle is just typically always in TA showing that the price is going to reverse to the upside, man. And of course, you can see some minor downwards momentum here, but we can shift anytime soon here. And yeah, just just this hammer candle is making me feel so bullish here on Ethereum. And of course, we just broke through the all-time high, and we don't know where it's going to stop here. But this candle is just showing me that we have a lot of buyers here. Feeling really good here. Where's the Chainlink TA? It is coming, and it is coming. So, guys, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so, because we are right now having 434 subscribers here in the channel. And I see we have 100 live viewers here in this live stream. So, can we hit the 450 subscribers live in the stream? Would be absolutely amazing if you guys can help me here. We're going to check this subscription count in a second once again, and we're going to have a look how much subscribers we are going to have in a couple minutes here. Would be absolutely amazing if you guys can support me here. Bull flag on Ethereum, yeah, you can say that, man. You can say that. Yeah, maybe we are topping out right now and we are seeing some kind of a bull flag here. Of course, we are seeing a lower highs created right now, and you see this big wick here. What I just told you is making me feel so bullish here. But maybe we are having this bull flag here. And we can break very quickly out to the upside here. Very quickly. Do you think Elon got hacked? He's acting like a 9-year-old. No, he don't, man. But of course, he's right now, he should be asleep, man, 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago. It's midnight at America. But he is becoming a meme. And it's absolutely true, man. He's becoming a meme. Because, yeah, he's just saying these things about Doge. And I don't think it's really good. Look at this, man. He posted this. He's really becoming a meme. You're welcome, he's saying here. He's just helping these Doge holders out so hardly. And Ivan on Tech is here saying, yeah, let's get this Dogecoin to $1 as soon as possible. But yeah, this is crazy, man. But I wouldn't recommend buying into Doge, man. It's already overvalued at this point. But yeah, Elon is just crazy here. Just crazy. My biggest Doge account has an amount of Doge exactly equal to Elon's birthday. Lol. So maybe that's helping you. Maybe it's helping you. And someone is saying link, please. Okay, we're going to have a look into link. So looking quickly here to the link against Bitcoin chart, you are seeing we are getting supported by this most significant level here. Let's see if we're going to get a supportive bounce here, but we got bought up a little bit here. You can tend to see these wicks here to the downside. Of course, you don't want to see a close here, because if we're going to see a 4-hourly close below this, it is indicating that we're going to see more downwards momentum here. But right now we are getting a little bit undervalued here compared to Bitcoin, because this is the link against the Bitcoin chart, and this chart is looking that we are trading on support right now. And of course, if you look to the bigger time frame here, if you're looking to the bigger time frame, you see that we are having this downward sloping resistance line. You're seeing this line here, this line. And if we are going to break this, it can indicate a lot of momentum here for Link here. So it would be amazing if we can maybe break this line here for Link then. It will be absolutely amazing if we can maybe have a retest to the upside here, and this time don't get rejected, but we are going to go to the upside here and retest it and then skyrocket away here. Because Link is, yeah, it is looking pretty, yeah, we are right now in a downtrend compared to Bitcoin, but yeah, it can break anytime soon here, in my opinion. Can break anytime soon. And if you look at the normal chart here, it is giving us a good possibility to maybe enter a trade here in a second. If we are going to hit this yellow line, I'm already in the trade from off this yellow line, but I do think we are going to see another bounce here, man. And it is showing some confluence with the Bitcoin chart also. So I do think so that we are going to see a bounce to the upside here, man, to be honest. Bull run will last 2 years because of the FOMO. Yeah, maybe. I do think this bull run will be different than the previous one, man. This will be a different run. It will be a different run. Because all these institutions are right now stepping in, and of course no one is knowing what Bitcoin will exactly do in the future here. And yeah, it's gonna be a different one in my opinion, man. And we are getting supported by this Fibonacci level once again. Another touch, another wick here. So that's interesting. Yeah, it's looking like that Bitcoin is going to carry Ethereum here. And I agree with that one, man. And I agree with that one. And if I refresh right now, we are having 438 subscribers here. And we're having right now having 106 live viewers here. So can you guys maybe help me and push this subscription count here to 450 subscribers? Would be absolutely amazing if we can reach that in this live stream. But getting into the price action here, that let me have a look at this situation here. Yeah, of course, it was just at the 5 minute here. You couldn't really trade it, but it is looking like that we are maybe breaking this trend here. But of course, you can maybe say it is more like this here. But yeah, we are seeing some more downward momentum here. But yeah, we did got supported here, and we are setting still higher lows here, higher highs in the 5 minute chart. So it is still looking healthy here. How can I join your team? You can join our Discord if you want to. It's pinned in the comment section. Right now having 61 members already, and we just started there. So it's amazing that you guys are already joining the Discord here. So if you want to join the Discord server, make sure to do so. I will drop it once again here in the comment section. I just liked and subbed them all. Thank you, man. Thank you. So yeah, right now sitting at 442 subscribers. So 8 subscribers away from the 450 subscribers. Absolutely amazing, guys. We're going through the roof. We're going through the roof together with you guys. Oh, just joined the Discord, Tool Wolf. Really nice, man. Welcome to the Discord. Welcome. And we're going to discuss some things there, if we can't live stream here. And oh my gosh, I'm keep getting refreshing this, and we're right now only 5 subscribers away from the 450 subscribers. So let's see if we are going to make it in this live stream. First 100 to join gets 1 Ethereum each. I can't really promise anything, man. I can't promise anything. But yeah, looking at the 5 minute here, someone is saying no bull flag here. It can still be a possibility, but it isn't the most nice bull flag we are seeing right now. Not a really the one I want to see here. But if you look to Ethereum against Bitcoin, let me see here. It was Ethereum. Yeah, it was just usual. Let me see. I thought it was on Ethereum here. But if you look to Ethereum against Bitcoin, you are seeing that we are right now trading at support here. And this is also really significant support. So we really do want to hold this level. As you can see here, here we couldn't break through, here we couldn't break through, here we couldn't break through. And once we broke through, we went to the upside here. So right now we do want to see the supportive bounce here. And this can show us that Ethereum can maybe push higher once again. And also on the 1 hour, we are getting some more downwards momentum in the RSI. So that is good. So it is indicating that we are making ourselves ready for another move to the upside here. Ethereum at 12K at the 1st of May. I don't think so, bro. That's really ambitious. What do you think about 1inch? Really good project, man, and has huge potential. Thank you for being part of the channel once again here, and yeah, absolutely lovely that you are tuning in once again at the stream. And also, if you haven't already joined our Discord server, make sure to do so, man. Make sure to do so. It's pinned in the comment section. Not an Ethereum on BTC. Do you think we are going to touch the 1500s once again? Depends, bro. But of course, I do think we really want to look to Bitcoin. But if we are going to touch the 1500, it will be the most significant support level. Of course, the all-time high will be even more significant. But if we're going to hit the 1500 USD, I do think there are a lot of buyers that already are really greedy to already buy into Ethereum here. And I will be the one that will extend their position then, man. I will be the one that will add more to my position if we are going to hit the 1500 USD. And if we are going to go even lower, I'm looking at ranges around the 1400 and 61 USD to maybe add even more to my position. So I don't really think that we are going to go lower here. And my reason to think so is because of this chart, man. And I want to look to Bitcoin. The 1 hourly, I will go back here. And that's the reason here. Once we broke through on the all-time high of Bitcoin, you saw, and I will show you a nice Ethereum chart here. Okay, this is my horizontal chart on Ethereum. But you saw here, we broke through on Ethereum, broke through the all-time high. Right now we are above the all-time high. And Bitcoin, once it broke through the all-time high, we didn't clearly saw the retest of the all-time where everyone was waiting for. So yeah, I don't know if we are going to see this this retest of the all-time high, but if we are going to retest the all-time high, it's gonna be amazing opportunity to open a long trade here, man. Amazing opportunity. March, it will be crazy in BTC Ethereum. I do think that February already will be the month here for the altcoins, man. And let's see how the coming ones will act here. But of course, we would like to see this Ethereum move to the upside here, because we are right now in a trade here. So that would be absolutely lovely. That would be absolutely lovely. And guys, I can be grateful. I can be even more grateful, man. 458 subscribers here. I refresh and we get 13 subscribers. Amazing. I didn't thought we were going to break this this level so quickly here, and we were almost going towards the 500 subscribers here, 500 subscribers, and that would be absolutely amazing if we are going to reach that, man. I didn't expect that at all. Amazing. Yeah, and someone is also saying, I don't think we're ever going to see a 1K Ethereum once ever again, man. And I totally agree with you. I don't think we are going to see the 1K Ethereum ever again, man. Never. Not even in the next bear market. Not even. Bitcoin dominance will reach 20% in altcoin season. That will be absolutely crazy if we are going to see that. But in my opinion, we can maximally... I think we are going to reach 35% at max, man. If we are going to see an alt season here. And I do think we are going to see an alt season anytime soon here. And February will be the month of the altcoins. Especially with Ethereum right now breaking its all-time high here. So can maybe give us some more momentum here. And yeah, guys, if you haven't already, followed us on Twitter as well. We are also having a Twitter channel here at Rover Crypto, just a little bit different here. We are posting daily things here about the Bitcoin chart here. So if you want to follow us there, make sure to do so. I'm bullish on the subscriptions. Same, bro. It's growing like crazy. Because, yeah, right now, if I refresh, we'll probably have another one here. Yeah, 460. Amazing. So bullish on it. I wish I could have longed that, man. I wish I could have. So, Ethereum against Bitcoin right now getting supported. What high point do you think Ethereum could hit today? Of course, it depends on Bitcoin here. And if I look to this chart, we can easily... If we are getting a bounce here, we can easily gain approximately 3.5% here against Bitcoin. And if you look to the Bitcoin chart here... And I have to adjust this real quickly here. If you look to the Bitcoin chart here, you can see once we hit this this level here, you saw approximately an increase of 6% here. So let's see if we are going to see it another time, and then we can easily maybe set a higher high of 39k. And if you then look at a different chart here, if you are reaching 39k, it's also hitting our resistance level of the Fibonacci retracement tool. So I do think we are going to find some significant resistance anytime soon here, because we're right now just going higher and higher, and it would be good if we see some more consolidation here for Bitcoin. And I do think we are maybe to cool off a little bit here. But what the thing is, what is making me real interesting and feel real bullish here is that MicroStrategies right now is having a meeting here, and their meeting is about how you can buy Bitcoin, etc. for these big players here. So maybe all these big billionaires are right now buying Bitcoin, and it can even push the price through the all-time high. And you know, if we are going to break the all-time high, we can easily be around the 50k here very fast. And I do think my price target for Bitcoin will be at least 50k in this month here. So if you're planning to buy Bitcoin for the long term, if you're off, or if you are planning to maybe open a trade with low leverage, I mean, I should be really careful here, because if you look to the 4 hourly, we are almost getting overextended here on Bitcoin, and it should be good if we are going to see some sideways action here, and it would also help Ethereum out here to maybe see some more price action to the upside here. So yeah, price target for Bitcoin will be around the 50k at least by the end of February, at least. I just joined the Discord. Yeah, welcome to the Discord, man. And Tim Klinkenberg is saying, yeah, bro, you need to upload a video about the tools and trading view. Yeah, we will try to do it, man, as soon as possible. But right now, the price action is so interesting that I want to live stream, because you guys are loving the live streams here, and I love to do them as well here, and I want to help you guys out live here on the channel. An Ethereum breakout today. To be honest, I expect Ethereum to easily, go past this all-time high once again today, man. Just cooling off a little bit right now. We see multiple bearish divergences here. And you can see that we are usually are ignoring these bearish divergences in these kinds of uptrends. But it's of course on the 30 minutes here. And on the 1 hourly, you saw also a bearish divergence over here. And we went even higher because the bearish divergence could have been spot over here. And we went higher still. So bearish divergences aren't really a thing to look at here if you're in an uptrend. Also with Bitcoin, you saw a lot of bearish divergences, but still we broke to the upside here. So right now having 114 live viewers here. So make sure to all hit the like buttons here and consider subscription to the channel because we are right now sitting at 464 subscribers. We're growing like crazy, guys, and I can't thank you guys enough. I can't thank you guys enough. I'm so grateful for you guys. And let's see if we can maybe reach the 500 subscribers live in this stream because if we go on in this pace here, I do think we can make it though, guys. I do think we can easily make it. So let's see if we are going to make it. So Ethereum at 1620, please. Once again, can be done because we are really close. Oh, you mean we are right now because we just hit that target. Yeah, right now we are again trading at this golden pocket entry. So if you looked at this macro trend here, this small trend, what started last night here. And we are right now breaking through this, this golden pocket entry. But of course, we tend to see a lot of wicks here to the downside. So it is a possibility to open a trade. This is a possibility, but it is risky because we are right now looking at the lower time frames. It is risky, but we are looking at the lower time frames. But it is maybe an opportunity to open a position here because right now we are trading at the golden pocket here, and we can see this wicks here because Ethereum likes to show us these kinds of wicks. And if we are going to test this lower line here of approximately 1604 USD on the Ethereum price chart, it would be amazing to maybe open a position, man. It would be an amazing opportunity. And Bitcoin is right now seeing a correction as well, getting rejected from this horizontal line because Bitcoin has a lot of correlation here with Ethereum, and that's why you see Ethereum going lower right now. I will look to Ave in a second, JJ. I will look into it in a second because right now the price action is way too interesting at the Bitcoin and Ethereum chart. Nice stream, man. Thank you. So new all-time high today for Ethereum? Yes, in my opinion, we can easily reach that, man. Yeah, no, the fundamentals around Bitcoin will prevent a crash. Yeah, agree. We can't see this. I think we won't see a big crash here for Bitcoin. Go 100x? No, I won't. That's too risky, bro. I know I'm already 30x. That's also risky, but I have a good entry, so yeah. And if you look at Ethereum, we are still maybe trading between this bull flag here. But yeah, I don't really like this one. Yeah, we have still, we are going to close the 15-minute candle here below. So, yeah, I do think we're going to see some more follow-through to this level here of around 1604 USD. Can still give us a short-term option to open a trade, of course. Can still give us some good options. Head, off, shoulders, and heads. Go 100x. No, I won't. Do we need to panic? No, never panic here. If you're here for the long term, never panic here in Bitcoin. Nah, I don't like to trade head and shoulders, to be honest, man. And guys, if you haven't already joined the Discord, make sure to do so. I drop it in the comment sections once again here. It's also pinned in the comments. So, yeah, if you want to join it, make sure to do so. Make sure to do so. We're sharing our trades there. And, yeah, it's just amazing. I'm just screwing around, of course. I know you are. You're just a big meme, just like Elon. Yeah, you're going to get wrecked if you are going to panic sell, man. Stop selling. Agreed. Don't panic sell, man. Just if you're here for the long term, just hold and stay calm, man. Actually, yeah, you don't want to look at the price action all too much if you're planning to hold for 8 months. But of course, it's interesting to always watch the price chart here. Because if you are here for, let's say, 8 months here, you will be good, man. You will be good here. Because, of course, the market can go up in one direction. Like we know what Bitcoin is always doing here in the previous stages here. And I'm going to set this one on the logarithmic chart. And let's see at the previous bull market when we broke the all-time high. Here we did saw the retest of the all-time high, but I don't think we were... Sorry. I don't think that we are going to get this once again because the fundamentals are way better here for Bitcoin. And you can see that we are always moving to the upside and then see a small correction. And in the end, of course, we are going to see the bear market here. But you have to know we are not going up in a straight move. We always see small corrections. And I say small, but I mean actually huge corrections, because if you measure this correction here, it was approximately 30%. If you measure this correction here, it was approximately 40%. So you always see these big corrections here in the Bitcoin price chart. So don't be scared, please. Don't panic sell. Just if you hold for the long term, even if you bought at the top here, you still almost doubled your initial, man. Even if you bought at the top here. So holding is the best strategy. Holding is the best strategy, bro. And don't try and time the market of Bitcoin. Don't try and time the market, man. It's just way too risky. So guys, we have 130 viewers in live here. So make sure if you guys can all hit the like button here. We right now have 67 likes here. And the most liked video on this channel is 100 likes. Can we maybe surpass that? Can we maybe surpass that? Would be absolutely amazing. And also guys, if you can hit the subscription button here on the channel, we can maybe hit the 500 subscribers live in this live stream. Because right now we are exploding here. And everyone is loving the stream here. And I'm also enjoying it a lot here. So make sure to, to share some love if you want to. Would be absolutely amazing here. And I'm gonna get a drink in real quickly. And I can see we already got 81 likes in. I tell you guys to like the stream, and you guys already are liking the stream. So absolutely amazing here. Yeah, let's see if we are getting a bounce here. My throat is getting so thirsty, man, from talking so much to you guys, but I'm enjoying it real much here. Someone is saying compound. Sorry, my voice is getting not all too good there. Compound. Oh yeah, someone's already talking about compound, but I can't really find it on TradingView. Oh, I think it's this one. But the chart isn't really nice here, man. I don't really like the chart. And this is compared to Bitcoin, by the way. This is compound against Bitcoin. So that's also a good way to have a quick look here at this chart. But you can see it is getting less worth and less worth against Bitcoin. But maybe it is going to reverse somewhere. But right now it's still setting lower high. I mean, maybe we are going to break the lower high trajectory here, because we are right now setting a higher high. But if I look to the Fibonacci retracement tool, let me have a quick look here. Yeah, so if you look to the chart compared to Bitcoin, you are right now having some minor resistance. I mean, I say minor, but it's the golden pocket, so it's gonna be a real interesting one. So I'm right now looking at the daily, so it's a bigger picture here. So if we want to go higher for this coin against Bitcoin, you really want to break this resistance of the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. So if we are going to see a breakout of this, it will show us some more momentum here to the upside, and it can easily grow around the 20% compared to Bitcoin. So that's gonna be interesting if it can do so, man. It's gonna be interesting if it can do so. So let's see if we are going to break that line here, and we will keep an eye out here on the channel for you on the chart. I'm not selling at the moment. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend it. My liquidation price is, let me see. I have, of course, a stop loss. I know what my stop loss is, man. I have to take a look at it. My liquidation price is 1441 USD, and my entry price is right now 1471 USD. And I have my stop loss and profit, man. I have my stop loss at 1480, and I have more buy orders at 1500. So I'm trying to ride this to a new all-time highs, of course, and I'm planning to add more to my position once we are going lower, but I don't think we are going to go lower here. So let's see if we are really going to go low here, because if we are going to go low here, I will try and add more to my position. And at these lines, I will try and add more to my position, but of course, we first have to get there, and that's the whole point here. That's the whole point. Stream, bro, 24/7, love it. Yeah, I'm trying to stream as much as possible, but today I can't stream all too long here. I think I can stream for 2 more hours here. And I'm trying to stream as much as possible for you guys because you guys are loving it and I'm loving it as well because I want to witness the price action together with you guys. And maybe we can witness a new all-time high here in the stream. It will be absolutely amazing if we can see a big, huge green candle here. And yeah, we are getting supported by this Fibonacci level. And as you can see here, this is actually looking pretty similar here. Because here, you see we were testing the 0.5 Fibonacci level here. Got a supportive bounce here to the upside. Here we were testing it. Got a supportive bounce to the upside. And here we didn't clearly made it because we were already too greedy. And right now we didn't clearly made it because we were already too greedy. So maybe this is indicating that we are seeing a price reversal here for Bitcoin. Because we were trying to retest this 0.618 level of the Fibonacci retracement tool. But we were too greedy, so we bought up already earlier. So let's see if we are going to see the same here. And in the end here, we broke the top side of the resistance. What's right now 39.1k. So if we are going to break that, that will be absolutely amazing, man. Would be absolutely amazing if we could do so. My liquidation is 1200. That's a nice liquidation price, bro. But I'm also with 30x in, so more risk. Okay, check a double bottom on Ethereum for the 30 minutes. Let me have a quick look. Yeah, you can maybe say this is double bottom. And of course, we are setting a higher low here. And maybe you are talking about this one here. And you can say, someone is maybe saying that this is a M pattern. So an M pattern is usually a bearish bias pattern. It's always showing that we have less buying pressure. And right now you're seeing a lower high and you see a downwards momentum here. But of course, you can see these bearish patterns still break to the upside, man. But this is looking like a bearish bias pattern. But of course, let's see if we are getting a supportive bounce to the upside. But you can also say this is a double bottom here. And you can even say, of course, on the 30 minutes, you can see a double bottom here. You can even say if you are looking at 5 minutes, that we are seeing a price reversal because we are seeing a double bottom also on the 5 minute here. And we're seeing a higher low here. And this can maybe indicate that we are going higher here, man. And yeah, we didn't clearly made our target here of the 0.236 here. But we are getting supported by this 0.382 level on the 5 minutes. So let's see if we're going higher here once again. Let's see if we could do so. Would be amazing if we could do so. Because maybe this is the double bottom reversal. Because you see a higher low here. And that's usually indicating that we are having more buying strength. Bro, I just lost 40k on XRP. Fortune, bro. Feel sorry for you. Look out with the XRP and Dogecoins, man. Just buy in good fundamentals. Then you will be settled. You will be set, man. Hey, good to see you again. Yeah, good to see you once again also in the chat. What do you think about Yuma? Just recognize it. Was my first coin I bought. Okay, that's interesting. We already looked into Yuma quite some couple times there already, and you can see that's right now trading against resistance. And by the way, there's no 5 minute, and we already drew this line a couple hours, maybe an hour ago already, but we are getting resistance and we are getting rejected here. So, and it's once again on the 5 minute a higher high, and we are setting higher lows. So on the 5 minute is looking good, but of course you want to see how it is looking at these higher time frames here. But yeah, you can see we are getting rejected by this level, $43.8, and we mentioned that in the stream, I know for sure, and we didn't met the target by then. So our resistance is getting respected here. So sometimes TA is just magic, and right now you can see it. Once again, it's magic. But yeah, it's looking good. If we can break this level, we can easily surge to the 58, man. It has so much potential here, and I don't know what the fundamentals of this coin is, but the chart is looking good here. And we have right now 151 live viewers here. So guys, if you can maybe consider a subscription to the channel, we can hit the 500 subscribers live in this video. So that will be absolutely amazing, guys, if you can do so. And if you want to join our Discord server, you can also join it. It's pinned in the comment section here. It's so amazing that you guys are all subscribing to the channel here like crazy. We're growing so fast here. And yeah, you guys are just subscribing, so that's nice. What's the leverage? 10x? What is this 10x thing in some coins? I don't know what you mean. It's leverage trading, bro. When do you think Ethereum will be valued around 2K? We earlier already discussed that, and I will give you my opinion once again here. It was on this chart, yeah. I do think the price target for Ethereum in February, this green box is the February month, will be around 2K and 2.5K, man. That's an easy target that we can reach, man. I do think so. Let's see, please double bottom on Ethereum. Yeah, let's see, man. I do think so, man. It's looking pretty well here. It's looking pretty well here, man. Also getting a buy signal here, and maybe we're seeing a momentum shift here. I will make this one bigger. Market cipher is really good too, man. You're seeing we are creating a higher high in the momentum wave, so the momentum is likely to shift here. So let's see if the momentum is also going to shift, and also the money flow is going to shift here. Because we are getting a green dot here that's indicating that we are getting a buy signal, but this is of course on a 5 minutes, so it's not all too significant. So right now we're having 182 live viewers here, so make sure to hit up the likes here, because we are almost hitting our most liked video here on the stream. That is 100 likes, so we are only 13 likes away from it. So we would be absolutely amazing. So Ethereum is going to dump short term. I don't think so, bro. It is looking pretty well here with the double bottom here on the 5 minutes. So let's see if we are going to respect this one. But of course, it all depends on Bitcoin also, man. It all depends on Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin is right now carrying Ethereum at this point. And right now we have 33 likes here in the stream. Absolutely amazing that you guys are still liking the stream here. And let's see if we can push it up to 100 likes here. It would be absolutely amazing. And oh, the likes are smashing in right now, because we just hit the 100 likes here. So amazing, guys. Yeah, 101. And guys, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because we are about to hit the 500 live subscribers in this live stream here. And guys, I'm so grateful. I don't know what to say, man. 200 live viewers here. You guys are amazing. You guys are pushing this content to a next level here. And maybe we can even see a new all-time high for Ethereum. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. It would be absolutely amazing if we are going to see a new all-time high here for Ethereum. And if we are going to see this, yeah, of course, this new all-time high in my sub count, if we can maybe see this 500 subscribers. So was it a dump? A retest of the wedge. We can maybe say that, man. Of the wedge of this bull flag. Yeah, this bull flag is of course not really nice rune. But maybe if you look to the 1 hourly, because these bull flags tend to work better on the 1 hourly. Of course, they're never always. Yeah, you could not always draw these all too nice here, but it is still possible that we are seeing a bull flag here. And let's have a quick look. We have 220 live viewers in, guys. You guys are absolutely pushing it. You guys are absolutely pushing it, and we're already 16 subscribers away from the 500 subscribers mark here. And I don't know what to say, guys. I'm just actually speechless right now. You guys are so grateful, man. I don't know what to say. And also the price action is so amazing these last days here. These last days, the price action is absolutely amazing here. And let's see if we can still see this reversal on Ethereum here, with this double bottom here, double bottom and higher low here, and that would be absolutely amazing. And guys, we are 9 subscribers away. 9 subscribers, even 8 subscribers right now, guys. I think we can do this. If we work together, we can maybe push this to 500 subscribers, guys. It would be absolutely amazing. It would be amazing if we can push this. 7 subscribers, guys. We maybe have to celebrate this one. We maybe have to celebrate this one. I don't know what to say, guys. We're just growing like crazy. We're just growing like crazy. And I don't want to push. I don't want to push it out too much here, but I don't know. Just feeling so well here. When would you buy? Let me see, man. You could have bought here. And of course, if you're here for the long term, you can buy already here, man. So let's have a quick look here. SXP is popping. Okay, wait, I will have a quick look into that. But oh my gosh, I am seeing right now that this double bottom is maybe getting real follow through here, because we are getting supported here. And so someone is saying, do you have a Discord channel here in the chat here? And I will drop it right away here in the chat here, because it's also pinned in the comment section. And we also, I also just dropped it here in the comments. And let's see if we are going to see a new all-time high created in this live stream. Would be absolutely amazing if we could do so, man. Would be absolutely amazing. And guys, this is crazy, because once I'm going to refresh this, we just made the 500 subscribers mark, man. Guys, I can't thank you guys enough here, and we're gonna drop. We are going to go into the charts right away here, but we just hit 500 subscribers. Amazing, guys. Can't thank you, Omas. Can't thank you. I'm so nice. I'm so grateful. I can't even speak anymore because I'm so excited. I'm so excited, guys. Whoa, yeah. We're going to skyrocket. I think, man, it is looking good here, because this is typically a reversal pattern, man. And of course, this is on a 5 minute, but here you can spot the reversals. And let's see if we are going to see this reversal really play out here. And yeah, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Will Bitcoin drop? Let me have a quick look here. Ethereum is right now looking pretty well here. And also with Bitcoin here, if you look to the 5 minute chart, we're in the short term here, in the lower time frames, you're seeing again a double bottom here. And setting a higher low here, so also indicating that we are going to see a reversal in the momentum here. So also feeling pretty bullish here on this one. You're great, bro. Thank you. All-time high for Ethereum and you. Let's go. Yeah, let's push this one, man. And I do think that we are maybe going to see an all-time high created here for Ethereum once again. I do think so, man. It's really possible right now. It is really possible. I'm worried about the Ethereum drop. Maybe sell it all. If you are here for the long term, I wouldn't recommend that, man, to be honest. I wouldn't recommend that for the long term. And it's really nice that we can witness this price action together here. And we're almost trying to retest this 0.5 level once again. We're almost going to retest it once again here. Don't sell, yeah. When do you expect the 3K Ethereum? I already told you my price prediction here on the bigger time frame here. If you look to the February price prediction, I do think we can easily be around 2,500 USD, man, for Ethereum, between the 2K and 2.5K, man. So that's my price target for February. So yeah, we're going absolutely through the roof here. Absolutely. Let's see if this reversal will also work here on the Bitcoin chart, because it is valid here on Ethereum, and of course we are seeing some more follow through here, so I do think it is a valid one. Yeah, right now also with the Bitcoin bouncing off this this line here, also making me feel real bullish here, because once we bounced off here, we went higher, and right now we are getting a bounce once again. So. And it was acting as pretty significant resistance, so I do think that we are ready to maybe see liftoff here, man. But of course, we're still pretty overbought here. We're not overbought yet, but we are pretty high in the RSI on Bitcoin. So let's see, 309 live viewers. So can you guys maybe hit all the like button here, so we can make this the most liked video on the channel, because it's already the most liked video on the channel here, and maybe we can push it even higher here. So what do you think about XRP? Should stay away from it, man. Having the lawsuit here. I also did a live stream about that one because of the Wall Street bets were saying that they were going to pump it, but in the end it all dumped because all the retailers already stepped in at this big these scandals here, the retailers already stepped in, so should stay away from it with the old lawsuit here, man. And I don't think it's the best coin to step in right now, man. Should be careful with this one. So let's see. What do you think Ethereum will do? I do think, man, it will reverse from here on. I do think so, man. It's looking pretty well here with on the 5 minute chart at least. For the coming hour at least, we're going to see some more upwards momentum, in my opinion. At least for the coming hour. And everyone is asking about Compound and GRT. UMS crazy. All these coins are going crazy, guys. And I will try and do everything for you guys. But GRT is, in my opinion, looking pretty well here. And I will take the right chart in a second here. Yeah, this is the right chart. So GRT is looking pretty well here. Trading above the all-time high. So if you use this horizontal line here, you can see that we are above the all-time high here, and that we are likely to go higher here. Likely to go higher. So yeah, GRT is just right now again in price discovery. So yeah, it can go up really quickly from here on, man. Can go up really quickly. Thoughts on Ethereum against BTC? That's also a really interesting one, man. Because right now we are getting supported, like we mentioned. If we are getting supported, we want to see a bounce right now. And the 1 hourly candle, of course, opened 21 minutes ago. And we are seeing this follow through here. And that is absolutely amazing, because this can maybe indicate that we are going to see this bounce here to the top of the channel. And that bounce can be approximately 3.5% here to the upside compared to Bitcoin. So Ethereum is right now looking pretty strong here. Ethereum is looking really strong here. And this bounce is getting respected right now. That's amazing. That's amazing. And 150 likes already. Amazing, guys. Compounds, exactly as mentioned. Bitcoin Cash. I should stay away from that, man. Everyone is so excited about compounds. It's not really a nice chart. I don't know what the tag of compound is. Yeah, and you see... let me see, crypto. Okay, we can look at this one. And I don't really like the chart. It's was on the 5 minutes, that's why. So compound is once again setting a new all-time high, yeah. And we were already really excited about this one. We were already really excited about this one. And you can see right now, yeah, it's just in price discovery. But of course, you want to know where possibilities are for resistance. And like we previously already mentioned on this coin, this is going to be a pretty significant resistance. But once we are going to close the 4 hourly candle above it, we are going to see some more follow through. And right now we are seeing some more follow through. So I do think we're going to find some resistance at the 455 USD here. So let's see if we are going to find that resistance there, man. I do think so that we are will find some resistance there, and we are probably going to see a rejection here. But if we are going to break through even that level, we can go up really fast here, because then we are in again in price discovery. And a lot of people are asking about certain altcoins, but I will try and have a look into all the coins. And someone is also saying, are you planning to start a Telegram group here? Right now we are having this this Discord group. It's also pinned in the comments section here. So if you want to join a Discord group, make sure to do so. And we're growing it right now. So the thing is, we maybe are going to start a Telegram soon, but we first want to start up our Discord group here. So if you're interested, yeah, you can maybe join it. Do ADA and I like. Okay, that's a good one. Yeah, of course, we are also liking ADA here on the channel. And you can see, of course, we had a breakout here of this ascending triangle. Break to the upside. We broke up to the upside. We already met our price target here at 45 cents here. And right now we are just consolidating at these high levels here. What is really good here, because if you consolidate at these levels, maybe we are going to trade a little bit longer here, just like DOT did. And we are probably going to have a look into that as well here in a second. But maybe you are going to see some sideways consolidation. Will be really good here for Cardano if we can do so. It can yeah, give the price some time to consolidate, and in the end it can go much higher here. So just looking amazingly bullish here, Cardano, man. Looking pretty well here. And guys, I can't believe my eyes. We have 366 live viewers here. So guys, when I refresh, already 525 subscribers here. So guys, if you want to subscribe to the channel, make sure to do so. Would be absolutely lovely, guys. Amazing. Someone is saying Doge. Yeah, a lot of guys are really bullish here about Doge, and I should stay away from it there. And because also Elon Musk here, he's just becoming a big meme, like he's telling you. This guy is just pushing the Doge price higher and higher. And yeah, I should be careful with that, man. I should be careful, because like you saw here, you saw this insanely pump to the upside, but you saw this big dump to the downside here. And if you're buying right now Doge, if you compare to this dump here, you could maybe even lost 70% here, man. So be careful, because I think we can easily see a quick reversal here in price, and it can shake out a lot of you guys. So be careful with that, man. Be careful. Please do Uniswap link 0x doing. Guys, you are all just asking so much questions, and I'm trying to help you guys all out here. And we're going to have a quick look here into link. And yeah, guys, this is amazing to see, because we also discussed this one live in the channel here. We also discussed this one live in the live stream just a couple minutes ago. And guys, we told you guys, once we are going to hit this yellow line here, we are probably going to see some more upwards momentum here for link here. And if you look to the link against against Bitcoin price, you can also see that we are getting a supportive bounce from this support line. So Link is actually looking pretty well here. We're finding support where we first were finding resistance. As you can see, a lot of wicks here on the upside. Here we saw this fake out. And right now we are retesting it once again. So can we see some more upwards momentum? Because Link is right now lagging behind Bitcoin. And I do think that we have some huge potential for Link here to the upside. So keep an eye out on Link here, because Link can do some really crazy things here. And let's have a quick look here to Cardano. For Ethereum. At the 5-minute chart, and the double bottom is looking like it's getting respected right now. So absolutely amazing. And we have 400 live viewers in, so make sure to hit the like button and maybe consider subscription, because we're going so fast here, guys. 541 subscribers here. Amazing to see. Amazing to see you guys all pushing this content higher and higher. And someone's saying SXP or GRT, and I would recommend GRT, man. Fun. You mean the coin probably. Sorry, very small. What's the best price to buy at support? If you're talking about Bitcoin, I would buy at this 36.9, man. 36.9k would be a really good position to maybe enter once again. And like we already seen here, we compared it with the previous price action here with Bitcoin, because you saw this touch of the Fibonacci level here, and a couple hours later you saw this. Yeah, we didn't touch the Fibonacci level because we were already too greedy here. And right now we're seeing the same here. And you know what happened after that one? We went up higher and we retested the top line of resistance. And right now we are having the same here. We test the Fibonacci level. And right now we are too greedy. So we're already bought up to the upside. And right now we're maybe ready to set and retest the top line of the Fibonacci level. And that will be around the 39k here. And we'll take a quick drink here for a second. I'm getting so thirsty because the price action is so exciting. I'm so sorry. But guys, you are seeing this this double bottom here on the Bitcoin price chart. And that's also on the Ethereum chart right now. So this is indicating that we are seeing a price reversal. And also on the market cipher, you are seeing this momentum shift to the upside. And you also see a buy signal here. So the indicators are right now saying to me that we are going to reverse the price to the upside. And I do think that it will be likely that we will break to the upside here, man. And guys, I see some guys asking about the Discord right now. And if you want to join our Discord, you can join our Discord. It is right now pinned in the comment section, and I will drop it once again here in the comments. So if you are interested in some trades that we are discussing in our Discord server, make sure to join our Discord server, because yeah, we want to just connect with you guys and talk a little bit about our trades. And if we can't be live, we are talking in the Discord. So let's see. Correction for Ethereum. Right now we already seen the correction, in my opinion, man. Already seen the correction here. You see this downward momentum, and right now we are forming this double bottom here, and it is getting respected for now on. And of course, maybe we are, if we are going to see a new low here, this double bottom is completely invalid here on the 5 minutes. So we are probably going to see some more downward momentum here. But for now on, I do think the coming hour will be pretty bullish here for Ethereum. Discord in the blue pin. Yeah, it is. So if you want to join the Discord, it is in the blue pin, man. You can join there. Did you put the rain audio? Yeah, that's my background. So so you still hear something in the background. Are you liking it? Make sure to let me know. Yuma. Okay, you are all asking about Yuma. Let me have a quick look here. We'll look at Tether, and we were just watching already to Yuma, and you can see, yeah, we got rejected by the stop line here, and right now we are looking to do another retest here. So not all too interesting right now, because we just got rejected by the stop line of the Fibonacci level, and let's see if we are going to break it. And I see we have 467 live viewers in. So guys, right now we are from 555. So that's an amazing number here. That's an amazing number. But can we maybe try and push this to the 600 subscribers here? So let's see if we are going to make this one, because this is absolutely insane that we have so much live viewers in here. And I want to thank you guys all, by the way. Amazing that you guys are still here and supporting the channel here. So let's see if we're going to meet this target, because maybe we're going to see this all-time high here. for Ethereum. It would be absolutely amazing if we can reach this, man. Litecoin, someone's spamming. Please don't spam in the chat, by the way. Please don't spam it. And power against BTC. Hello from Belgium. I will have a look into Litecoin because Litecoin can have some correlations here to Ethereum, because you can see here. Right now I want to look at the 4-hourly. Litecoin broke out of this symmetrical triangle, and the price target here is getting real interesting because Litecoin can easily break through to 211 USD, man. If you measure the price target from the symmetrical triangle and you are seeing the breakout here, you can maybe see this Litecoin valued at this level. And always when Litecoin is pushing, Ethereum is always following, and the same way around also. So 210 USD, man. I will put a line up here, so in the coming days we can maybe have a quick look at it. 210. So I do think so that we are going to make this target, and when we are going to break to the upside even more, because we already broke out of the symmetrical triangle here, it is showing some real bullish targets here, and I do think that Ethereum can also lift off here because Litecoin is pulling off here, and Litecoin is also always having good correlation with Ethereum here, man, to be honest. Those 2017 coins will be replaced with DeFi. Agreed, man. I think you shouldn't invest in these 2017 coins, to be honest. I'm right now also investing mostly in DeFi, because the DeFi is just right now just booming, man. It's absolutely ongoing here. And if you want to be, you always want to be where the gains are. And right now the gains are at DeFi, man, to be honest. So you want to know where you invest in. And at this certain moment, I do think that DeFi is the best position to go into. Yeah, let's see what Bitcoin can do here. Can we retest the top line of 39.1k here? Would be absolutely amazing. Would be absolutely amazing. And let's have a quick look here at DOT, because DOT is also doing some real interesting things here. Because yesterday in the stream, we also discussed DOT here. And we told you guys, DOT is right now trading in this parallel channel here. It's trading in this parallel channel. And once we are going to hit this top resistance line, what now flipped into support, you can have a real good opportunity to buy in along here. And we told to you guys this yesterday when we just broke out here. It was approximately around this moment here. We just broke out and we witnessed this live breakout here. So we told you guys, okay, once we are going to have another touch here at this level, and it will be approximately around the $18.90 here, you have a good opportunity to buy in along here. And if you did so, you were already in 6% profit here. So it could have been an amazing buy here. And if you had 10x leverage, it was already 60%. So it was a good opportunity to step into DOT here, and the RSI is also a little bit cooling off right now. So if you want to have an entry here on DOT, if we are maybe going to have another retracement to this level, it will give you a good opportunity to enter in a long position here once again. So my throat is getting real thirsty here, man. And guys, I'm seeing something real interesting here at the channel right now, because we are only 19 subscribers away from the 600 subscribers. So guys, can you maybe help me and push this to 600 subscribers live in the stream? Would be absolutely amazing if we could do so. Absolutely amazing, guys. Yeah, let's see if we're going to reach this, because it's getting real crazy here. And getting real crazy. Check Ethereum, bro. I will have a look into Ethereum right away here. And Ethereum is just going a little bit down here once again. And if we look to this possibility falling wedge scenario, we can maybe see a breakout anytime soon here. But of course, we are right now looking at this 5-minute chart here to spot the trend reversal. And we are getting a sell signal once again, but of course, it can easily reverse. So let's see if we are still getting a bounce to the upside here, because we don't want to invalidate this double bottom here. Ethereum by the end of the week price. So right now it's Tuesday, and I think in 4 days, yeah, let's see. I don't know exactly, of course, because we can shift the momentum real quickly here. But maybe in 4 days, I do think maybe Bitcoin is already going to break its all-time high, because this market structure is so bullish right now. So I'm pretty bullish right now on the Bitcoin chart. So also, if Bitcoin is not going to do anything really stupid here, if Bitcoin is not going to dump real significant here, Ethereum can easily be sitting around the 2K, man, in 4 days. Can easily be around 2K. Please give your opinion about the future of Amazon. Yeah, I don't know, man. I do think, of course, Jeff Bezos is right now stepping away from Amazon, and he is, of course, doing a lot of work there. And yeah, opinion about the future, yeah, it's just going to continue to grow, man. Do we have a Discord and a Twitter? Yes, we have. We have. Discord is pinned in the comment section. And guys, if you want to follow me on Twitter, by the way, I haven't mentioned that yet. We're pretty active here on Twitter at Rover Crypto. Make sure to follow me on Twitter here if you're interested in all these Bitcoin price action things. So if you haven't already, make sure to follow me. And let's have a quick refresh here at the channel, because we just made the 600 subscribers mark and we're just going through the roof here, guys. I can't thank you enough here. Absolutely amazing. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, guys. It's absolutely amazing. It's absolutely amazing, guys. I don't know what to say. Okay, let's get back into the charts, because the charts are right now more interesting than my channel. So, yeah, of course, we are getting bought back up here on the 5 minute. So that's good here, because we want to respect this this double bottom here, and we don't want to invalidate it. We don't want to invalidate it. What do you think about Stellar Loomis? Good project, man, because all the Ripple fanboys will step into it. All the Ripple fanboys will step into it. So, good project. So let's see if the Ethereum is right now trying to retest it once again, the top line. So let's see how it will do here, because this is going to be real interesting, because we really want to break this 0.5 level, because we seem to have a lot of struggles to break through here. Got rejected already twice. So let's see if we're going to break through it once again now. Let's see if we can do so. Will be absolutely amazing. So yeah, if we can break through it, it can really help and push the price higher here. And we got a lot of questions here in the comments, and I try to ask, to answer them all. A good entry on Ethereum, I see. Like I mentioned before here, the golden pocket of this small trend here is always a good entry. So that's around the 1623, man. But right now, of course, we can still reverse here. But with this this double bottom here on the smaller time frames, it's making me feel real bullish here. Make me feel real bullish. Someone is talking about ETH, man. I'm also a big fan of ETH, and someone's also saying it could be at $500 also anytime soon here. And in my opinion, it can be so, man. And we have only one significant resistance level left here. And then it's, once again, we can go up really quickly here. And we're already going up really quickly here, just like the channel. So, let's see, we're right now trading on support here. And let's see if we are going to meet the 450 USD target once again, because we got rejected already once. And we tried it twice. And we set higher lows here. So there are only wicks here, and the candle closes are higher. So structure is still good. Also higher lows here. So it's looking pretty good here, man. Pretty well here. And also, guys, don't spam in the chat here. I will. My admins have to block you then. So it's also just calm down here, because I try to answer every question here in the chat here, but there are so many questions that I can't even do so. How often are you live? I'm trying to go live every day, man. So if you're interested in all these live streams, make sure to subscribe to the channel, man. Can you check Uniswaps? Yes, we will. Because Uniswap is... I take this chart in a second. Uniswap, let me see. Because I'm also a big fanboy of Uniswap, man. And like we mentioned before, this support line, this demand line is a really good one. Because it tends to give Uniswap a good few buy orders here, and it's always a good buy once you are buying on this demand line, man. So if you want to buy into Uniswap, it's always for the long term. I mean, you're settled, man, because Uniswap is just decentralized exchange, a swap, I mean, and it's just it's having some good fundamentals here. So yeah, price structure is also looking good here. And maybe if you use the Fibonacci 2 from this previous trend here, we can maybe see some significance in price targets. Let me see. So yeah, Right now we are maybe trading on support here, and of course we want to break through this all-time high here. And right now the structure is still to the upside here, man. Setting higher highs, higher lows. Just feeling really bullish about this one. Just good, man. Do you know anything about Crypto.com? Yes, man. Also feeling, I'm actually feeling about every altcoin pretty bullish right now, but especially about Crow, man. Crypto.com. I have my chart, and yeah, let me see. Here's my chart. So we broke out of this falling wedge here to the upside, and in my opinion, this coin is extremely undervalued. Extremely undervalued compared to all the other altcoins. And in the bull run, this coin will explode to the upside. This coin will explode to the upside here, especially with all the retailers wanting to buy some crypto. They're going to use Crypto.com, and they're going to use their coin. So it has huge potential for this coming bull run. Huge potential. And yeah, of course, if we look to the Bitcoin dominance, because you want to know when the alt season is going to start, and we want to look to the daily time frame here, because as you can see, also mentioned on this channel, this descending triangle broke to the downside. We already went in altcoins since we saw the follow-through came in here, and that's when we as a channel stepped into altcoins. And right now it's still a good decision to step into altcoins, because right now we're trying to break this this clear resistance line, because we want to break to the downside here, and it's right now still acting as support. But let's see if we are going to break to the downside here, and maybe if we are going to see a clear daily close below it and some more follow through, we can easily surge to the downside with 3.5% here. So it's gonna indicate that we have a lot of momentum ongoing here for the market cap of Bitcoin dominance to the downside here. Yeah, we already checked compound a few times in the stream, man. We just checked it, man. So let's see on the 5 minute here what Ethereum is doing. And also let's have a quick look into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is of course the leading indicator here. And if you look to my horizontal chart, or right now trading against resistance once again. Yeah, still Fibonacci is giving us good support here. And I will be right back in 2 minutes or so. I will get some quick water in. Give me 1 second. And I'm back again. Thank you for waiting here. So let's have a quick look into the charts once again. Yeah, my throat is getting real thirsty here because it's so exciting here. That's rain ASMR. Yeah, I like the rain as well, man. Really nice for my ears. Just relaxing, of course. And someone's asking about ADA, and right now our opinion here on ADA is pretty interesting here, because you saw ADA break out of this ascending triangle here to the upside. Right now in this sideways consolidation, what is giving ADA basically some room to consolidate here, and in the end we are probably going to see a breakout here. And it's really good to consolidate at these levels, man. Just cool off the indicators, and in the end we can go higher once again. So guys, if you haven't already, make sure to smash up the likes here. I see we have 240 likes here, and we have 500 live viewers. So maybe we can hit this live stream to the 300 likes here. Will be absolutely amazing. And if you haven't already, make sure to also follow me here on YouTube. 650 subscribers, absolutely amazing. So guys, yeah, I don't know what to say, man. Thank you already. Thank you already. So yeah, this is my thought on Cardano, basically, man. Just thinking that we're right now in sideways consolidation, and if we are going to see a clear 1 hourly candle above this and maybe have a retest, we can go high once again. And this is looking pretty similar to Polkadot, by the way, because Polkadot did the same here. Always sideways consolidation in this parallel channel, and in the end we broke to the upside. So let's see if this sideways consolidation can be for a little bit longer here. Would be really good for the Cardano here in the long term if we are seeing some more sideways consolidation. Would be really good, man, to be honest. Consolidation is never bad at these levels, especially for these altcoins. So what price do you think Ethereum will have towards the end of the year? My price target towards the end of the year is a pretty conservative one, to be honest. I think Ethereum can easily be valued around the 7K mark, and I'm being real conservative here because I want my prediction to come through here. And if I'm really thinking where I'm going to cash out here, I think it will be around 8K, man. From off the 8K, I will start cashing out here, and I think it can easily get to 10K, to be honest, man. But of course, my realistic prediction will be around to 7K, man. Conservative one as well. No super chats. We can't yet, man. We can't yet. We can't, unfortunately. Crow won't make it. Crow's a shitcoin. Everyone is... someone is basically really bearish here on Crow. But I think Crow will... all the retailers will step into Crow, man. And I do think that it will give us some insane gains. Enjoying your work, sir. Thank you. I'm enjoying you guys being here. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. And guys, if you want to... join our Discord, make sure to join it. I will write it down here in the chat. So if you want to, you can join it. And someone is saying Ethereum should be valued at 10K at least. And yeah, I think it's really possible, because if you look to the Bitcoin comparison to Ethereum, and now it's getting real interesting here, because Ethereum was valued in the previous bull run approximately about 12% of a Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin will be valued, let's get a calculator here. No, we don't even need a calculator, because my prediction here is for Bitcoin that it will be valued around 160K here. And if you then take 12%, and Ethereum can easily be valued pretty high here. And let's say Bitcoin will only reach 100K and Ethereum will still be valued 12%. It will be easily an Ethereum around to 12K here. So I do think Ethereum has huge potential here in the future days here, and 8K is really conservative. And yeah, of course we can easily get to this level of around the 12K. I mean, we can easily get to 12K, man. And I see a lot of new guys are joining the Discord. Welcome to the Discord server. Welcome to the Discord. Amazing to see. Amazing to see, guys. Just subscribe. Great content. Thank you, man. Thank you for subscribing. Amazing. I got a 20K investment. Should I buy Ether? I already got 3.69 Ether, but no other coins. I should diversify, man. Just diverse your risk management. Just buy certain altcoins where you think you believe in, and you will be good, man. I should always buy different coins, because my portfolio exists of over 50 altcoins, man. Where or how do I buy Crow? You can buy it on Binance, I know. Probably also on the Crow side, because they're having an own site, own exchange. Thoughts on EasyFi? Don't know, man. I have to do my research. I'll have a quick look here on CoinMarketCap. Let's see how it's doing there. I don't know which position it is, and it's I think it's DeFi token, right? It's B780. Don't know it. And it just recently, yeah, it's launched in 2020. I'm already bullish on 2020 coins and also DeFi coins, but I have to do my research, so I can't really give my opinion about this coin so quickly. But I like DeFi tokens, man. Man, you should do a face cam. Yeah, we can do a face cam anytime soon here. We can do a FaceTime. I can't buy it on Binance. Wait, should I have a quick look for you? CRO. If you go to CoinMarketCap and you go down here to markets, you can see where you can buy it. You can buy it at Upbit, UB. You can buy it on Crypto.com, their own exchange. So that is why I think it's so bullish, because all these retailers going to download this Crypto.com app for their Visa card, and they're also going to buy it, because you have certain yeah, you have some kinds of deals with them with their credit card, but you can buy it on crypto.com, man. It's a good exchange. So I think it will do good in the bull market, man. Will do pretty good there. I have oh wait, I have had Bitcoin since 2011 because of OSER. I don't know what you mean, man. Yeah, same for me. I've been since 2015 here. You're bullish on Neo. I feel pretty bullish on Neo, but I think there you can make more gains if you are looking to these different altcoins, man. There are way better projects here that can, yeah, give you more potential here. Because I like to invest in these new DeFi tokens and these new projects that are just launched into the space here. So let's see. So my throat is getting real thirsty here. Yeah, trade is still going good here on Ethereum. Just still respecting this double bottom here. Looking pretty well here. Bro, you're going to be a YouTuber, man. Wish you the best. Thank you. Someone's saying XRP in the chat. I should stay away from that one. XRP. Don't really like the coin. And guys, if I look to the channel right now, we have 666. Oh, if it want to load. Yeah. Oh, we already suppressed it. Okay, we just had 666 subscribers. So I thought that's a good point to maybe mention it. So let's see if we can even hit the 700 subscribers. I totally didn't expect that we were hitting the 600 already. But right now we're just so going so fast here. So let's see if we can even hit the 700. Would be amazing. Thoughts on FED? Let me have a quick look here. Of course, like I mentioned before, I don't know the fundamentals, so I will just do some TA here. Because, yeah, if you look to the... Of course, we want to look at the bigger time frame, to be honest. Oh. Oh, no, this is not the all-time high. Oh, this is a coin from 2019 already. So let's see how it can probably perform here and find some resistance and support points for the coming days here. So let's see. Yeah, you can see here again, daily candle got rejected here, found support at the 0.618 level. 0.618, and right now, if we can break through this 0.786 level, we can maybe find some more momentum to the upside, and we can even go to this 19 cents. And that would be absolutely amazing for this coin. But right now we're still getting rejected by this level. So first you want to see the daily candle close above this line here. And then we can see some more watch momentum here, man. Of course, you also have to look into the fundamentals as well. Absolutely amazing. And guys, oh, your guys are pushing it so hard. Almost 700 subscribers. Can't thank you guys enough, man. Can't thank you guys enough. Yeah, and Bitcoin, let's have a quick look at Bitcoin here, because Bitcoin is also respecting the double bottom here. Still seems really bullish here. Seems really good here. And guys, we almost have 300 likes in the stream. Amazing. What are these levels? I'm using the Fibonacci Retracement tool, man. These are calculated levels, and they're always acting as a pretty significant resistance and support levels, man. 2000 by the end of February, at least, man. At least for Ethereum. At least. In my opinion, we can even rise to 2500. Thoughts on Chainlink? Can it reach 30 USD by the end of the month? Yeah, even higher, maybe, bro. Because right now, Chainlink is looking pretty well here, like we mentioned. And if I measure the price target here, and I have to measure it correctly here, from this, it has an insane price target, man. And if we are going to break to the upside, we can easily surge to approximately $30. And I'm also in a trade here. Like we mentioned, this yellow line is pretty significant resistance, and we want to get supported right now. And we do have a supportive bounce. So it's looking pretty well here. And yeah, I think we can easily reach the $30 here. And also with Ethereum looking so bright here for this coming month, yeah, the other altcoins will follow Ethereum. So And we broke through the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. Now you see some more follow through to the upside. So let's see if we're going to meet the 0.618 level, man. Let's see. Considered about the CME futures. Now, yeah, maybe you're thinking all these whales are going to short Ethereum, but right now we're just in a bull market, man. Even the retailers can buy the price higher and make some short squeezes here. So I'm not scared about the CME futures giving their chances to short Ethereum. I'm not scared at all, man. And right now we are seeing some more follow through for Ethereum, and right now the trade is going well again. 340% already. Amazing to see. Amazing to see. Do we have an opinion on Doge? Yeah, you should stay away from it, man. What's your let me see. What's your thoughts on Zilliqa? Of course, I'm not really familiar with the project, and I think it's a 2017 coin, right? Yeah, it's already around. Let me see. Already, 2019. It's just recently launched. I'm sorry, I thought it was 2017 project, and I don't really like to step into these 2017 projects because, yeah, I'm just not a huge fan of it. I'm not really liking it. So let's see. If you look to the 4-hourly candles here, you see that we are finding some significant levels of resistance and support, and in the short term, it is looking pretty well here. Of course, we just came into this, went higher, and I like to use the Fibonacci level here, and you can see it has so much significance, always at these levels. And maybe if we are going to have a retest of this golden pocket entry, it's going to be very interesting, because always the 0.382 level is always a significant level that we are most likely to hold here, and it will always help us to go higher here. But right now we're still getting supported by the 0.5 level, and it is still looking good here. So, of course, you first want to break this level of this 0.618. But yeah, basically still looking good here. Still looking good. And yeah, for the long term, of course, with Ethereum going up, probably all these altcoins will follow, man. So I don't know exactly what the fundamentals of the coins looks like, because I like to watch to the fundamentals first and then look into the charts to find a good buying opportunity. But yeah, the fundamentals are mostly important, man, in this coming bull run, in my opinion. All the coins like the Graph, etc. All these coins with good fundamentals. Cardano, Chainlink. They will all do good, man. Polkadot, especially Polkadot. And Aave. Aave will also do a really good job here. Yeah. Wait, I'm getting a phone call. Give me a second. And I'm back again. sorry for being FK. Yeah, someone is saying Paid Network, and Paid Network is also a really interesting project. But the only thing, I have to go to this site to watch into Paid Network. I'm especially myself also a holder of Paid Network, and I think it's paid. Yeah, it's just paid. And Paid Network is pretty interesting. It's a really good project, but I wouldn't recommend buying in right now because I think it's right now just pumping so hardly. And you can see this run-up is insane here. If you bought here at the 42 cents, you were already 200% here in the upside. You could have even been at 330%. But right now it's just went up so quickly that you should be careful here, man, with buying into it. But Paid Network, I should be careful with that one. Be careful. But it's a good project, man. It's a good project. But I'm always trying to buy in at the lows, because then I can just ride them to the all-time highs. But guys, the stream cannot be longer than 30 minutes from now on. So that's the only thing that's a little bit unfortunate right now. Because I have to head out in a second, of course. And guys, if you want to join our Discord server, I'm gonna mention it once again here. Make sure to do so, because we are keeping you guys updated. And we are telling you guys about our trade setups. And you can join there. You can join the Discord. It's pinned in the comment section. So make sure to watch it if you are interested. And someone is saying Ethereum. Ethereum. Yeah, right now it's just chilling out here, forming this double bottom. And we're going to have a look into it, what it will do here the coming days. And Bitcoin also with the double bottom, of course. And looking, yeah, please, let's see if this gets respected here. And if we look to the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, it's also a really significant chart that you do want to look at. Yeah, you see, got a supportive bounce. So let's see if we can continue this this bounce to the upside here and retest this top line of resistance. Will be really interesting if we can retest this one. Will be really interesting. What do you think about Cardano? Really bullish on it, man. Really bullish on it. Right now trading in this parallel channel here. Consolidating. But in the long term, especially really bullish, man. Feeling really well about Cardano. Also Bitcoin getting a bounce from off this previous resistance line, what acted as significant resistance. It's now right now getting a bounce from it. So that's also making me feel so bullish here for Bitcoin. Ethereum is a scam. Wall Street bets. No, don't think so, bro. Don't think so. What do you think about Bitcoin Cash? I don't like it, man. Not buying it at all. Only buying into good fundamental projects. What's the best site to buy stocks, man? I only buy a crypto, man. I don't know where I buy stocks. At least I know one thing, and that's that you don't want to use Robinhood. Don't use Robinhood. This dude. Thoughts. Yes, going sky high here, man. It's absolutely exploding here. Absolutely exploding, man. Let me have a quick look to Eve here. Oh shit, just add Cardano. Yeah, just if it will break this previous higher. Oh, if it will break this previous higher. I don't see. Yeah, of course you want to spot the resistance because we are already in all-time highs here, but you want to spot the resistance that will probably come up here. And I'm also a holder of Ave, and I'm really liking the project, especially with Grayscale right now also listing Ave here. It will most likely give another boost here to Ave. It will most likely give another boost here, man. It is absolutely insane. Absolutely giving such a big boost here. Ethereum against USD. Let me have a quick look for you. Already watching quite a while to it. Yeah, of course, looking especially to the lower time frames here for this double bottom. So we maybe going to spot this this reversal in the trend in the lower time frames, what can maybe indicate that in the higher time frames it also will indicate sorry, I can't even speak anymore, but that it will also indicate that in the higher time frames we are going to see a reversal as well. Why don't you believe in Bitcoin Cash? Because it's basically the same protocol as Bitcoin and it has no value. No value. Like Ethereum is trying to fix something. It's trying to fix the transactions, and Chainlink is also trying to fix the issues on the blockchain. And Bitcoin Cash is just basically doing nothing and just sitting there and getting money flow. So it's basically, yeah, no go for me, man. In the end, it will die. In the end, it will die. How do you estimate a maximum target of coins? Based on what? I look to previous price action. I look to the potential of the market cap. I look to previous bull runs. And yeah, that's basically it. And I look at Ethereum as a leading indicator because Ethereum is the leader of the altcoins, man. And of course, it's all predictions, eh? You know, it's no financial advice, but it's just my own opinion on the market. And that is how I'm playing it right now. That's just my own opinion here. Already for live for 2.5 hours, guys. Amazing to see. Your end target for Litecoin. Just one thing I know about Litecoin, in my opinion, to start off with Litecoin, to talk about. Right on P7. And I do think that this top 10 will shift a lot here in the coming bull run. And I do think that XRP and Litecoin will not be longer in the top 10 here. Litecoin also known as the silver of Bitcoin. But yeah, also not a good fundamental worths anymore, man. I don't think like Chainlink will go much higher here. I think Aave can go much higher here as a DeFi token. Can easily get in the top 10 here, in my opinion. Yeah, I don't think that Litecoin will be in the top 10 here. But if you look, of course it will grow here. It will most likely grow here because all the altcoins will grow here in the coming bull run. And other coins will explode here. That will most likely will happen here. And yeah, my price target for Litecoin in the coming bull market. Yeah, okay, look at this, man. You know, Ethereum already surpassed this all-time high, and Litecoin is still. Let me see how many percentage-wise it is away from its all-time high. It's still 183% away from its all-time high. So it's making me feel that it is right now lagging behind. But if you look to the bigger time frame here, you can immediately spot that we are breaking maybe this this line over here, this previous top here, and this top was because of the bull run. The Litecoin halving, and there was a pure hype run up here. And I also went into Litecoin at these points because I knew Litecoin was having a halving, and they were probably going to see a lot of hype around it. But yeah, right now it's just lagging behind. And maybe if we're going to break through and close the weekly candle above this yellow line, we can maybe see some more upwards momentum. But right now, just not feeling it on Litecoin, man. Just not feeling it. And I should invest in some other projects, especially these DeFi tokens, man. Just more liking DeFi at the moment. And let's have a quick look at the channel. Let me have a refresh here. 717 subscribers. Guys, we're just heading to the 1K. We're just heading to the 1K. It's absolutely amazing, guys. I can't thank you guys enough here. You're just pushing the content higher and higher. Absolutely amazing. I don't know how I can thank you guys, so I will try and thank you guys with some good TA here. Let me have a quick look here in the chest. Can you look at BNB? Of course, BNB is one of my favorites, man. And Toy Wolf, you're absolutely legend. You have to know that, man. You have to know that. But BNB, I'm also a holder of BNB, especially with the bull run. Also, just like Crypto.com, retailers will buy these coins because these are the big exchanges. And you always want to look at the most potential here. And of course, it's already a high place coin in coin market cap, but it still has huge potential here, bro. Still has huge potential. And as you know, it already broke through its all-time high here. If you want to use this, and let's use the Fibonacci tool once again to maybe indicate where we are going to find some resistance here, because right now we are in price discovery, and when you are in price discovery, you are always finding some resistance at certain levels, and you don't know where it exactly will be. But that is why we have the Fibonacci tool here. And it looks like that we are right now trading against resistance, and we're actually trading at all-time highs right now, so that's amazing to see also. But if we are going to see some more follow-through, and we are going to clearly break this level here of the first extension level here, we can easily grow to the 66 US dollar level. And that's absolutely amazing, because it is looking pretty bullish here. And I think we can easily break through here because we're just trading at all-time highs right now. And of course, like I say, we are right now in price discovery, and we can grow really quickly here. It can easily go up, easily. When do you think Ethereum will start going up once again? I'm thinking of refueling. Give me a good answer and I will sub. Of course, if you want to sub, it's your own decision here. But yeah, right now what I'm thinking here, that Ethereum is just... it's always a good buy to buy Ethereum right now. In my opinion, if you are here for the long term, it's always still a good buy. I think under the 2K is always a good buy for Ethereum. For Litecoin, Ethereum, sorry, I can't even speak here. Previously, I always said under the all-time high, it's a good buy for Ethereum. Because... yeah, it has still huge potential, and it still has to break its all-time high, and it can go up really quickly here. And in the short term, I do think we're right now just seeing a small cool-off period, just like Bitcoin, and I do think that Bitcoin will go higher anytime soon here. And just like Ethereum, that we are going to see probably some new all-time highs created today. And yeah, just feeling really bullish here, man, on Ethereum. And if you're here for the long term, it's always a good buy right now, man. Always a good buy. Thanks for the analysis. Thank you, no problem. You're a legend here. Ah, you are my legend. Love the rain in the background, yeah. Love it too, man. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely loving it. I'm buying Ethereum at 10x leverage and set it at 1700. With leverage, I should be careful here, man, because you can see if you bought leverage over here, if you went in a 10x here, you already went down 60% here, and you can get wrecked really quickly here if you're leverage trading. So I should be careful, man. You really want to look to a good opportunity to buy in, especially in the RSI. You don't want to buy in overbought territory, and right now in the 4-hourly, we are pretty overbought here. But of course, you know we can go higher because Bitcoin had the same thing here. But it's just scary to go long right now because I already got an entry pretty low here, and yeah, you have to do your own research, of course, and it's your own decision if you want to go long right now. So yeah, just my advice: just be careful, guys. Just be careful. What do you think about Dogecoin? Yeah, don't recommend it, man. Just look out for it. Just look out for it, man. It can dump really quickly, once again. Just like it pumps, it can dump even quickly. Do you think 20k Ethereum is possible, as Bitcoin says? I think it's a really ambitious target, to be honest. I think 12k is really my maximum goal, to be honest, in this coming bull run. But yeah, you never know. Maybe it can go up even more quickly and can rise even higher. But yeah, you want to be realistic, man. And I think if you really want to be realistic, I would say Ethereum will be valued around, yeah, let's say 8k, 7 to 8k. But yeah, of course, it can go much higher here, but you always want to be conservative with your thoughts. But getting a good entry is one thing, and getting a good exit is a second thing. Because you can get a good entry and just be in profits, and you don't sell at the right time, then you're just getting screwed. So you have to make your own strategy here, and I'm using the strategy to just cash out at each and every level, and I will start cashing out from off 7k here towards 10k or 12k. So I'm planning of already cashing out at 7k, but you have to have your own strategy here. But be careful, guys, because having a good entry is one thing, and yeah, like I said, selling is another thing. So be careful. Be careful. 8k, yeah, you called it shit. Yeah, I am calling it as well, and I have to go to the toilet real quickly here. So give me a second. Be right back. And I'm back again. I'm panicking. I need a kick in the face. Okay, don't panic, so bro. Hold for the long term. Best alts in this bull run. I think you have to be in DeFi, man. Coming bull run. You have to be in DeFi. So yeah. 1k euro was a good entry. Yeah, I don't look to euros, man. Only trade on USD. Uniswap still a good buy at this price or wait for a pullback. I mean, Uniswap has, I think, potential to go to $50, but there are more altcoins with more potential. And you're right now buying at a high, and you really want to buy lows, man, in my opinion. Just be careful. What are these indicators? I use a market cipher, RSI, and I also use the VPVR. And that's really good to indicate some support and resistance level, especially if you're going down and to yeah, maybe find some resistance. Also using the moving averages. And talking about the moving averages, let's have a quick look here in the 4-hourly. Because on the Bitcoin price, we still right now am seeing that we are in a death cross. And like we told you guys in the channel, this death cross doesn't mean that we're going lower here. And right now this green candle is this green moving average, is the 50 moving average, is shaping up to the upside once again. So we're going to see a crossover anytime soon. I do think it will be tomorrow at the 5th of February. So then we are going to see a golden cross again. And once we are going to see the golden cross, it's going to be really bullish. And he's saying 1.2k USD is 1k euro. Nice. Nice buy, man. That's a nice buy. But ETH already all-time high. Yeah, it's already trading against all-time high, man. It's already trading against all-time high. Yeah, as you can see, let me get this indicator gone here. But yeah, ETH is still trading against all-time high. You're right now seeing that we are getting wicks lower and lower, so maybe indicating that the buying pressure is stopping right now. But yeah, still bullish in ETH, man, on the long term especially. Looking good. Looking good. So do you think Ethereum will be 20k in the next 5 years? I mean, in the next bull cycle, it will be 20k at least. But of course, you want to look for this bull market first, because yeah, you don't want to look at yeah. Of course, you can hold for 5 years and then you will be good as well. But I'm looking to cash out on this. Not all my money, of course, not all my Ethereum and not all my Bitcoins, because I will hold partially. Because you never know how this bull run will be, because all these institutions can maybe shift this market and all this interest, because right now the interest is getting insane here. And because of the interest getting so insane here, we are maybe not even going to see a bear market. So yeah, of course, be careful, man. But of course, try to take some profits once you are in good profit here. Let's say you're in 10x or 20x or even 50x. Yeah, at least take out your initial, man. At least. And it's always good to take profit. It's never bad. It's never bad. Maybe in hindsight, you always say, oh, I could have taken even more. I couldn't even won more money. And, you know, in the end, you have to be happy with your profits, man. Otherwise, you are going to get wrecked here in crypto. Yeah, Stellar Lumens doesn't even move. Yeah, it isn't moving right now. But, yeah, these projects you want to hold for a long term, man. You want to hold it for the long term. But let's have a quick look here at the channel, because we are almost at 3/4 at the 1,000 subscribers mark. So 7 subscribers away from the 750 subscribers right now. So let's see if we can push this up to 800 subscribers. And I have to go in 10 minutes here. So that's pretty unfortunate that I have to head out in 10 minutes here. And that's the only thing that I'm really bothered about right now. But let's continue the stream for 10 more minutes here. And yeah, it has proven itself that holding here in crypto space is the best strategy to do so, man. Holding in crypto is always the best, man. It is. It's already proven. It's already proven. Ethereum worth buying at this price right now? Yeah, I do think so, bro. You can still, if you're here for the long term, like I told you guys, it's still a good buy. Because if we are at 2k, do you still want to buy Ethereum? Stellar Lumens, quick, bro. Yeah, let's me have a quick look at the chart. Why not? Let's have a quick look to the chart. Yeah, you can see Stellar Lumens is right now just basically doing not all too interesting things here, but still trading against this 0.236 level. And I do think we can break through it because we already tested it multiple times here. And yeah, just the more times we are going to test this level, more frequently we test this level, it is more likely that we are going to break this level, man, to be honest. Do you think Ethereum is going to retest towards the trend line? Yeah, we have these trend lines here, and this trend line is especially really important on the 4-hourly because this was the 4-hourly candles. You saw this upward sloping resistance line, what we already broke here yesterday. But if we are going to see a retest of the line, and we almost retested it, but that was of course with a wick here. But if we are going to retest it another time, it will give us another good opportunity to maybe go in another long position here. And maybe even add to our position right now. Yeah, 1 hour RSI is just cooling off right now. Just cooling off a little bit. It's still going good here. What tools are you using to show these white levels? This is the Fibonacci Retracement tool, man. It's in the left in the screen, and then see Fibonacci Retracement tool, but you can edit this tool yourself, and I edit it with my own levels here, and you can just make it in your own way. But if you want to see which levels I use, you have to make a screenshot right here. Of course, everyone uses different levels, but these levels works the best for me. Well, it's a good entry for Ethereum today or tomorrow. Yeah, right now still looking this double bottom here. Of course, if we're going to go lower here, 1600 USD could be an entry here. And also the 1500 USD is going to be a good entry. But of course, I don't think that we are going to go that low, man. And someone is saying, are you Dutch? Yes, I'm Dutch. Yes, I'm Dutch. And guys, someone also is saying that he just subscribed to the channel. And oh my gosh, 30 subscribers away from the 800 subscribers. Absolutely amazing, guys. You're just smashing it through the roof. And if you guys want to join the Discord, you can do so. You can go into the chat here, and you can join the Discord if you are interested, of course. So thank you guys for all subscribing to the channel here. Absolutely amazing. Can't thank you guys enough. Can't thank you guys enough, man. Any more DeFi recommends? Yes, Polka Starter, man. If you go to CoinMarketCap and you look to the DeFi section, of course, Uniswap, Aave, and Chainlink, really good assets, but already have a huge market cap. So of course, you want to maximize your gains. So I'm also looking for these smaller gems here. And if you look to the DeFi section and you see here Polka Starter, number 52 here, amazing project. In my opinion, still undervalued here. And on the Polka Starter network, on their side also, there are these new coins starting up here. Also, I'm buying Option Room. In one day, it's going to launch here. Really interesting project, and you can see all these new coins launching on the Polkastarter network here. So it's a really undervalued coin here, to be honest. And I do think it has huge potential to even go to the top 10 here in the DeFi section, and that's why I'm buying it. And I'm buying it even more each and every day here. Oh my gosh, guys, I just witnessed we just hit the 800 subscribers. I don't know what to say, guys. We're just heading to the 1K, and it's so unfortunate that I have to stop in 6 minutes here because I have to head out here for a meeting. But it's so nice that you guys keep subscribing here to the channel. Absolutely amazing, guys. I can't thank you enough here. Absolutely amazing. Amazing. Legends. Ethereum bullish right now. I do think so, man. And also, if you look to the 1 hourly candle here, of course, you see some more downwards momentum here, but you see this hammer candle, what is indicating that we got rid of a lot of sell orders and that we are still too greedy to not buy here at these levels. Everyone is still buying at these levels. So do think that we are still really, really bullish here on the Ethereum chart. And also looking at the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, looking also pretty bullish here. Maybe going to have another retest of this support line, and like we mentioned, we can easily see a move to the upside that will be around the 3.4% compared to Bitcoin to the upside here for the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart here. So that can happen anytime soon here, in my opinion. And of course, if we are going to break that level, we can easily go down here compared to Bitcoin around the 2.6% here. So you always have to keep in mind both situations, but you can see that it is acting as pretty significant resistance and now is acting as support. So yeah, guys, it is still looking good here. still looking good. Congrats. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Short-term Ethereum move prediction. If you really want to look to the short-term here, I'm still looking at this this 5 minute here. And we are setting higher lows here, and this is indicating a double bottom, but maybe we are setting another higher low here on the 5 minute chart, and that is maybe, yeah, pretty good here. But of course, we are setting a lower high then, so it's still bad in one way. But if you look to the Bitcoin chart, yeah, I mean, we are setting higher lows, so not all too bearish right now. I actually do want to see that we were going higher from here on, because then the double bottom was completely valid here, but we aren't seeing that right now. And if you look to this this other chart here, what I'm watching here on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin will be the leading indicator here. We have this upward sloping support line, what can maybe really help us here to push the price higher. It can maybe really help us here. Congrats, my friends. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you. 816 subscribers already. Amazing, amazing, guys. We're just growing the channel so fast here. Absolutely legends. Absolutely legend. Link price prediction can be valued around $100, man. Coming bull run, at least. At least. Is that market cipher? Yes, it is. It's down here, and it is working really good for me, man. I really like the indicator. It's basically all the indicators combined in one indicator, and it's giving us so much information about what the market is doing, about the money flow, about the divergences that are right now happening on this time frame, and it's just helping us so much to see what the price of Bitcoin is doing and to predict it. So that's pretty nice. Do you think Cardano will hit $100 next 5 years? $100 is pretty ambitious, to be honest. But still, you have to keep in mind the cryptocurrency space is only worth 1 trillion, and you know that gold is already worth 8 trillion. So we are still so small here, and all these smaller altcoins can explode here. And I don't think it will be valued at $100, to be honest, but it can easily be valued at maybe $10 here in the coming 5 years. But yeah, of course, be careful here. And always do your own research, but I'm planning to at least ride it to $2 here, because yeah, you know what the all-time high of Cardano is, if I say it correctly, $1.50 here, and it was in 18. Oh no, I'm sorry, it was. Or am I looking at the wrong chart? Wait, let me see. Or I'm saying something real weird here. Yeah, oh yeah. It was valued at $1.40 here. So you can see, I think we can at least reach this target once again. And there was, of course, in 2018, 2018. And I do think that we can easily make that. So let's see if we can even reach this as soon as possible. Because that would be really great for Cardano here, man. Still has huge potential, Cardano. So keep an eye out on it. Keep a good eye out on it. So, so my throat is getting so thirsty for talking to you, guys, because it's so exciting with this price action here in the Bitcoin chart. Is making me feel so yeah, exciting. So exciting to watch this with you guys. We already hit our targets. I don't know what targets you're talking about. What are the next targets for Ethereum? Approximately around the 1800 USD, man. 1784. This target here will be the most significant resistance, to be honest, man. The 1.618 level, that is 1784 USD, man. That is a point where we probably will find some resistance, and it will be a significant one, man. Also meeting the ascending triangle targets at this point. So multiple resistance targets are getting met at this point. So $1,800 US. Be careful, because we're probably going to see a good correction, in my opinion. And in the end of the month, we will be above 2K. Don't get me wrong here, but at least in the short term, we are maybe going to see a minor correction here, at least in the short term. And guys, unfortunately, I do have to wrap up the stream here. I feel so sorry that I have to wrap up the stream here, but guys, I see we have 373 likes here in the stream, so thank you so much here. And if you haven't already, make sure to follow us on YouTube here. We have right now 826 subscribers. Also, if you want to join the Discord server to talk a little bit more to us in private here, make sure to join the Discord. It's right now pinned in the comment section. But I do have to wrap up the stream here. Guys, I will see you in the next stream. And tomorrow we will have another stream here on the channel. It was an absolutely amazing stream here. And let's see if we're going to see a new all-time high here for Ethereum today. But guys, unfortunately, this was the stream here. So see you in the next one. And goodbye.